Hello. tell here. Then settlements ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡಿ ಕೊಡಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬೇಕು ಅದು ಬರ್ದು ಕೊಡಿ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ
Settlement for 230.
230 ಅಂತಾನೆ ಬರ್ದು ಕೊಡಿ ವಿಡ್ರಾವಲ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಇದೆಯಾ ವಿಡ್ರಾವಲ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡಿ
Withdrawal.
Settlement.
ಮಂಡೇ ಸ್ಪೀಡಿ ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಂಡೆಗೆ ವೆನ್ ಆಯ್ತು 23rd ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಎಸ್ 23rd ಅಂತಾನೆ ಬರೀ ಸಾರಿ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಮಂಡೇ
Withdrawn.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೈಡೇ
My lord.
ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಾ ಆಯ್ತು ಬರತ್ ಮಂಡೇ
Notice was issued.
ಓಕೆ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ವೆನ್ಸ್ಡೇ ಎನಿ ಡೇ ಕೊಡಿ
ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್
ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮುಂದಿನ ವಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಂಡೇ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ ಈಗ ಏನ್ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಏನ್ ತೊಂದರೆ
ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹಾಗೆ ಕೊಡಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ
ಆಯ್ತು 2:30 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮಂಡೇ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ ಮಂಡೇ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಫುಲ್ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ಇಂದ ಥರ್ಸ್ಡೇ ಫ್ರೈಡೇ ವರ್ಗೆ ಯಾವತ್ತಾರು ಬರುತ್ತೆ NBW why you have not appeared ಆಯ್ತು ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ಆರ್ ವೆನ್ಸ್ಡೇ ಕೊಡಿ ಮಂಡೇಗೆ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸಲ್ ಬೇಡವಾ ಹಾಂ ಅದರ ಜೊತೆ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೇ ಅದು ಸೇಮ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅದು ಮಂಡೇಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸ್ಟೇ ಬೇಡವಂತೆ ಎಸ್ ತಾಳೆ ಐಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಯು ಕೊಡಿ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡಿ ಹಾಂ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಾ 24ಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ ಕೊಡಿ 24th ಹಾಂ 20%. ಹಾಂ ಏನು ಬೇಕು when do you want 2:30
My lord, challenge to cancellation of bail. My lord said issued notice. It was posted for today. It's not come out. My lord may take it on Tuesday.
ಆಯ್ತು ಕೊಡಿ
Your lordships has stayed the investigation, my lords. LOC is issued as against me, my lords. We have able to travel abroad. Your lordship may have it on
ಒಂದು
Monday.
ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್
Application has
ಆನ್ ದಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅದು ವೆಡ್ನೆಸ್ಡೇ
Wednesday.
My lord said posted for immediate after the service of notice. My lord.
ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕೊಡಿ
Service ಆಗಿದೆ sir.
ಆಯ್ತು ಬರುತ್ತೆ
The matter was posted for framing of charges yesterday. We made a mention that there is a petition pending.
2:30
PW.
2:30
My lord, it is a bigamy matter.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಯಾವತ್ತು 311 ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅದು 24th ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಎಸ್ wait I'm coming wait yes
I'm moving an application for a fresh matter, my lords. The petitioners are the parents of a Foxo victim, my lords, 3-year-old. In retaliation, an FIR has been registered against the parents. I'm requesting for end of day if possible, my lords.
2:30 yes
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ನನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್
2:30
ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ
ಬೇಕಾ?
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ
2:30 ಬೇಕಾ
ಕೊಟ್ರಿ
ಏನು ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ತಾನೇ ಇವತ್ತು
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ
ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
14th ಗೆ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಡೇಟ್
ಆಯ್ತು,
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ನಾನು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
ಯಾವತ್ತು
ನಾನು
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ
ಬೆಳಗ್ಗಿಂದ
madam?
ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲವರೆಗೆ
28
ಪನಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ಲ?
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಡೇಟ್ ಇಸ್
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ.
ನಾಟ್ ಗಿವನ್
date is given
ನಾಟ್
date is given as 28 yes
Well, on a matter for 230, the offense is forgery. There's a threat of arrest. They're using the influence of the local
ಕೊಡಿ
police.
2:30
Matter for 230, fresh matter, my lords, is threat of arrest, my lords.
2:30
It's a fresh, so my lord, 423 days. It's a fresh matter, your honor. Respondents filed a criminal cases on me. Being a prudent person in the society, I
What?
feel basically
It's a fresh matter.
ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಏನು
Huh?
ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ
On Monday, actually, he's in the apprehension of the arrest, your honor.
2:30
My
On
lord,
Monday, your honor.
2:30 ಬೇಡವಾ
My lords, this is
FIR ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಫಾರಿನ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂತೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಫಾರಿನ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಹೋಗಿ.
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಇದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಆಗಿ.
ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್
my lords, this is my lords, section 60.
ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕೊಡಿ.
Section 69, my lords, the complainant after filing of the complaint 4 months she goes and gets married to another person.
And registers the complaint now.
Yes, my lords.
You are in
And
custody.
my lords, there's already a stay granted, my lords, but
Then what do you
is
want?
pending, my lords, my lords, I had lost my job during the because I was arrested, my lords. Now because of this pending matter, I'm facing issues. There's threat that they're going to terminate me because there's a whole this thing happening.
Next Friday. Yes.
My lord, it's for speedy disposal. The petitioner is not
Monday.
deposited.
Speedy disposal Monday.
ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು ಕೊಡಿ, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೋ ಸ್ಟೇ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇರಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. ವೆಡ್ನೆಸ್ಡೇ ಅಂಡ್ ಥರ್ಸ್ಡೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಮೆಮೊ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಎಸ್.
Your lordship, the respondent number 2 has issued a check and right now he has filed a complaint, registered an FIR.
Now right now what is the urgency?
Your lordship, the
Right now
respondent,
what is the urgency?
the police has been harassing the petitioners, your
And that's not the urgency. Yes,
My
ಕೊಡಿ.
lordship,
Bail
the
ಇದೆಯಾ?
petitioner is going to.
138 proceedings.
No, your lordship. Oh, for 528, your lordship.
Oh, seriously. Yes, leave it.
MPM ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್.
We should know what is 528. What is 528?
Quashing, your lordship.
That is the offense, is it? I asked you what is the offense.
115 subclause 2, 351 and 352, your lordship.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಡಿ ಕೊಡಿ. Yes, ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಹರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Petitioner is.
No,
going
no,
to
no, no, no.
admit your-
Give it.
My
Fresh
lordship.
matter.
Please, your lordship.
When do you want it?
230 or Monday.
230. Non-cognizable offenses 230
Monday, your
ಏನಿದೆ?
lordship.
ಕೊಡಿ, Tuesday. Yes.
Lordship, section 21 of POCSO, my lordship.
ನೀವ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಆ ಕಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. Come that side.
MPM ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ನೀವು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. Yes.
MPM ಅಲ್ಲಿ for next Friday.
ಕೊಡಿ, next Friday.
Lordship, similar matter got stayed before your honor.
Give it. Yes. Now. Pending ಕೊಡಿ. Yes. ಎಲ್ಲ Tuesday or Wednesday. Monday again. ಸ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಮಂಡೇ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಏನ್ ಮಂಡೇ ಕೇಳಲೇಬೇಡಿ ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಕೊಡಿ, ಮೆಮೋಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ವಿಡ್ರಾಯಲ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ವಿಡ್ರಾಯಲ್ ಯಾವಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ. ಕ್ಯಾಟರ್ಪಿಲ್ಲರ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ವಿಡ್ರಾಯಲ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ. ಕ್ಯಾಟಲ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ಆರ್ ವೆನ್ಸ್ಡೇ. So what heavens are going to fall on cognizance? ಏನೋ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ. ಆಯ್ತು, ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ಆರ್ ವೆಡ್ನೆಸ್ಡೇ ಆರ್ ಥರ್ಸ್ಡೇ. Final disposal. Next week is 24th.
Reason stipulated to this is
22nd ಕೊಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ. DA ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Yes, ಕೊಡಿ.
My lordship, this is bigamy matter. A stay has been granted, my lord. She is suffering from some health issues. She is taking advantage of the stay order.
Vacating stay ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Vacating stay
ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ
ಕೊಡಿ. Vacating stay applications ಇನ್ನು ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲ.
Next week, any date, my lord.
I will fix vacating stay ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ತಾಳಿ.
Please, my lord.
Vacating stay next week, on the date ಎಲ್ಲ will begin a separate list on vacating stay.
fresh matter for FIR 504 and 506. To arrest.
504, 506 ಯಾರು ಸರ್ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು?
ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅವರು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
I shall produce the
ಲಾಲ್ ಬಾಗ ಕಬ್ಬನ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ ಕೊಡಿ ಸುಮ್ನೆ. ಎಸ್. ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ಒಂದಿನೂ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ? ಓಯ್, ಅದೇ ವೈಲೆನ್ಸ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ವೈಲೆನ್ಸ್. ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಕೊಡಿ. ಎಸ್, ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್, ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಯ್ತು, ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್. ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್. ಈಗ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
Vacating.
Monday is full. Please don't ask for Monday at all. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, avatar. When? 2:30. Tomorrow ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು Monday ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಹಂಗಾರೆ ಏನು ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ. ಟುಮಾರೋ ನಾನು ಬರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಮಂಡೇ ಫುಲ್ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇನು ಫುಲ್ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ. 2:30 ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೀವು ಫೈಲ್ ಓದಿಲ್ವಾ? ಕಮ್ ಎಟ್ 2:30. ಫೈಲ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಬನ್ನಿ. ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್. ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ಗ ಆಯ್ತು ಕೊಡಿ. ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 24th or 27th. 24ಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡು. ಯಾವಾಗ ಬೇಕು? ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರ ಕೊಡಿ. 2:30 ಕೊಡಿ. ಮೆಮೊ ಕೊಡಿ. ಈಗ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಈಗ? ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಸರ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್. ಏನದು? ಯಾವುದು? ಕೊಡಿ. 2:30. ಯಾಕೆ ನಿನ್ನೆಯಿಂದ ಇವತ್ತು ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ತಾನೆ? ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರೆಡ್ ದ ಫೈಲ್. Read and come. Yes.
This matter pertains to Vaidikawal acquisition. After acquisition is upheld, complaints have been filed against the office bearers and the
Next week. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
Lord, there's an interim order in this. I need to be vacated.
You have filed vacating stay application?
Yes.
This is further hearing matter before vacation. When senior counsel speaking, motor oil market matter, my lord, 420 and 406.
ಅದು ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ? Then can we take it next Friday? Yes. ನಾಗೇಶ್ ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತಾರಾ? ಆಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೈಡೆ ಆಗ್ಬೋದಾ ಸರ್? ಆಯ್ತು.
Lordships kindly, Lord's atrocities matter, a complaint against the husband.
ಯಾವಾಗ ಬೇಕು?
2:30 minutes.
ಕೊಡಿ. 2:30. ಆಯ್ತು. ಯಾವ ಮಂಡೇ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ಆರ್ ವೆಡ್ನೆಸ್ಡೇ.
Lordships indulgence. Trial court matter is tomorrow. I had earlier moved it.
2:30. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್. ಅದೇ 504, 506 ಯಾಕೆ ಹೆದರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? ಕೊಡಿ. ಸ್ಟೇ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ ಮತ್ತೆ. ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಐಟನರಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿ. ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್. ಎಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್. ಯಾವ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ನಿಮಗೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆಗಿರೋ 24th ಇದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಡೇ ಮೂವ್ ಇಟ್. ಐಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್. ಇವತ್ತು ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮೆಮೊ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಎಸ್.
ರಿನ್ಯೂವಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ.
ರಿನ್ಯೂವಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅಮೆಂಡ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸಿಸಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್
ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡಿ. ಎಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಅಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ? ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಈಗ? 3 ಮೆಮೊ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಒಂದೇನಾ? ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ವಾ? 69 ಸ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಅದು ಮಂಡೇವರೆಗೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಮಂಡೇ, ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ, ವೆನ್ಸ್ಡೇ, ಥರ್ಸ್ಡೇ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ. ಆಯ್ತು. 2:30 ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡಿ. ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಾ? ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಕೊಡಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಡೇಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅದು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಡೇ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಬೆಟರ್. ಈಗ ಕೊಡಬೇಡಿ. ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಡೇ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಏನಾರು ಇರಲಿ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್.
323 is actually invoked.
No problem. 323 also is non-cognizable. Yes. Complainant. Both are ಆಯ್ತು. When do you want? Next week,
2:30 or
2:30.
Tuesday.
My lords, my 5-year daughter is being thrown from the school, my lord, and the matter was stayed actually. But my lords, upon the notice to the respondent, matter was stayed by this court.
ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು ಸರ್?
I want a specific date, my lord, for the
Pending
speedy
matter.
disposal. Yes, my lords.
Why? Speedy disposal.
Yes, my lord. Thing like
Speedy
the matter
disposal,
was
I'll give you
stayed.
straight away.
It was
No, nothing on merits. Speedy disposal, definitely. If you want needy disposal, later.
needy disposal.
Then later. Yes.
My lords, one more SCST matter, my lord.
ಯಾವಾಗ ಬೇಕು? ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಾ? ಯಾವಾಗ ಬೇಕು?
Monday.
ಮಂಡೇ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
Or today only. End of the
2:30.
list.
Yes. ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ನಾಳೆ ಫ್ರೇಮಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಅಂತ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ಗೆ ಅಡ್ಜನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. 2:30 ಕೊಡಿ. ಯಾವತ್ತಿಗಿದೆ? ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಉಂಟಾ? ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಆಯ್ತು 21st ಕೊಡಿ. ಅದು ಅವತ್ತು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಶೀಟ್ ತಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ. 17? ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ? ನೀವು ವೆಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಕೊಡಿ. ಆಯ್ತು ಕೊಡಿ. ಡೇಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ವೆಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಹಾಕ್ಸ್ತೀನಿ.
My lord, 2 matters, my lord, for 138 proceedings on Tuesday, my lord.
ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಾ?
Old matter, stay ಆಗಿದೆ, covered by judgment.
ನೀವು ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಈಗ?
I am for the respondent.
ಹಂಗಾರೆ ಕೊಡಿ. ಎಸ್.
Tuesday, my lord.
ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವತ್ತಾರ ನಾನು ಹಾಕ್ಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಎಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಏನ್ 2:30 ಬೇಕಾ? ಮಂಡೇ ಸಬ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಂಡೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಕ್ಸಿದಾರೆ ಮಂಡೇ ಹಾಕ್ಸಿರಂತ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಬಿಡಿ. ಕೊಡಿ ಕೊಡಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಟೈರ್ ಜಡ್ಮೆಂಟ್? We'll give definitely next Tuesday or Wednesday definitely. Yes. Adjournment. ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ, ನಾ ಇವತ್ತು ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾನೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೆ ಎದ್ದೇಳದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Just one fresh matter, still number 1.
You want to withdraw?
Other two connected matters, my lord, may kindly be listed along with it.
ಇದೇನು? What's the matter, Shankar?
Cancellation of bail.
Cancellation of bail.
Cancellation of bail.
Dismissed. Yes.
My lord.
Anything else?
There are other two matters, my lord.
No
may
problem.
Kindly be connected.
You
along
tell
with
about
it.
this matter.
That may be passed
Dismissed.
home. It may be passed
Cancellation
home,
of
my
bail,
lord.
I'm not going to. Yes, this is too much.
It may be passed home.
No, sir. No passover. Ade kate.
Pass home, my lord.
Nothing doing.
Short pass home.
Cancellation of bail. You know, I'm very slow in interfering with cancellation of granting of bail.
No, we had recently taken notice in this matter.
This court on 25/6/2026 had passed the following order. It was made clear that no further adjournment would be granted in the matter as it was the 7th adjournment that was being taken by the Enforcement Directorate. If 7 adjournments are taken to project a point on bail being granted to the respondent, it is clear that the Enforcement Directorate does not have any case. Therefore, in the light of the said order, even today, the Learned Counsel seeks an indirect adjournment by seeking its connection with 2 other matters. Therefore, there is no warrant to interfere.
Passed home, man.
No, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. They ಕೇಳೋದು adjournment. There's some limit.
Number 2.
Serial number 2, Melats, may I make one kind submission?
Kinda.
Please.
ಮಾಡಿ sir.
We have filed application for impleading applicants.
Oh, that is the kind submission.
Please, Melats, one submission. I was not in the country for past 45 days, Melats, due to medical emergency. I was not in the country.
ಏನ್ problem, sir?
Next week, Melats, we have engaged the services of senior counsel.
ಆಯ್ತು, what's the matter? The answer.
This is a liability for a bank. We've repaid the entire liability. And not that is, of course, they initiated.
Why is it special court matter?
No, there is
One
one
of the-
individual, my lord, who is a.
One of the accused number 4 is the MP-MLA.
MLA.
And there are several 3 other.
MLA na MP na?
He is a former MP.
MP MLA anbitre?
Plus
No,
there
it
are
doesn't
other
really
3
matter.
connected
In my
matters
respect,
also.
first of all, not who is he? He is a person from
Oh, who are you, sir?
I have purchased the property and he files a suit for cancellation of the sale deed. That is still pending. And now he comes and makes an application.
The very same points.
No, no, sir, nothing doing.
May I just seek one?
If you are a stranger, no, why should,
No, I'm
why
not
if you
at
are a
all a
stranger
stranger,
to the
Malaj.
proceedings? No, sir.
It's my property which was completely tossed off in different banks and around 42 crores public money was siphoned, Malaj.
Public money?
Please, Malaj, because
yes.
they take, it's not at all the case that they just take a loan and they repay it.
You have not yet come into the kahani. Wait, sir.
Please, Malaj,
Yes.
Malaj, my
I
one
want your lordship
submission,
to kindly see the plaint that they have filed in court. May I just pass it on? They admit the execution of the sale deed in my favor. Then, Lord, they say, according to them, a higher consideration ought to have been paid.
In the plaint, is it?
In the plaint. And therefore,
So, he sells the property
sells
to
the
you.
property to me. That is admitted. I have paid the consideration fixed in the sale deed. They say actually a higher consideration ought to have been paid because the value of the property is more.
Now,
And
what's the crime here? He has
I will
registered the
no,
crime?
he has not filed
not
it.
at all the case.
Wait,
One
wait,
second,
sir.
sir.
Please.
He is not the one at all.
Please.
The bank will not initiate the proceeding under the circular for frauds.
All right.
And then CBI will not investigates.
Hmm.
I will not pay off the entire liability of the bank.
Now, who
Therefore,
appears for the bank?
For the bank, will not, there's another lawyer who appears.
Malaj, the main matter is also
wait,
not
sir.
listed today. Please.
ನೀವು ಸೂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ
Malaj, I'm not at all disputing that. The question is not about the repayment of the loan.
one ನಿಮಿಷ
Please.
have you sold the property to him or not?
Please.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತಾನೇ
The,
one ನಿಮಿಷ you have sold the property to him and the fulcrum of this is only one property that you have sold to him.
please.
ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ
Please, Malaj.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ
Please,
why
I make
all
one
these
sub-
collateral proceedings for you?
Malaj, may I make one submission?
Who are you in the bank, between the bank and him?
No, the question is not at all that.
Then
Malaj.
what?
If the question was that they have not repaid the loan,
Ah.
if the question was we have
What
taken
what is the question, sir?
there was
Now,
an
one
interim-
nimisha,
Please,
you have
Malaj.
sold the property, pursuant to that sale or property becoming his, he has raised some loan.
No, the question is not that, Malaj.
Then
Malaj,
what?
There's series of criminal acts which have committed.
What is that?
Please, may I just see, Malaj,
Can
may
you
kindly see
well-
the
well-
My lord, my learned friend has not filed any complaint
question.
anywhere
that,
else.
Malaj,
Well,
I bow
one nimisha,
down.
1 minute, are you the complainant in any case?
No, Malaj, I'm a witness. Presently, I'm a
I'll
witness.
impose
PW.
exemplary costs on the application that you have filed if you are meddling in this.
Please, Malaj.
Don't become a meddlesome interloper in this.
My lords may impose cost also. Malaj, there are 3 other connected matters.
No, I will not.
I seriously bow down.
I will
if-
not, sir. You are nobody. You have sold the property, forget it.
Malaj, the
Why are you
question-
coming in between the bank and him?
Question, there was an
Have
interim
you
order.
registered the complaint anywhere?
Malaj,
Yes or no? Don't beg the question.
Malaj, if that is the case, Malaj.
Don't beg the question. Have you registered a complaint against him anywhere?
I had registered a complaint.
Where?
Later, in the same police station.
Ah.
I did not pursue the said
Correct.
complaint.
You did not pursue. Now why are you interfering in this?
Malaj, may I make just
No,
one
sir. I'm
submission?
not going. I'll pass an order on the impleading application. We'll dismiss it right
It's on
away.
record. It's on record.
He's come on record.
Yeah, he's filed an application, not come on record.
Malaj, we have engaged the services of senior
The
counsel. Malaj.
petitioner.
Malaj, may kindly
No,
at least
sir.
pass over the matter. Malaj.
No. This passover and adjournment culture will stop.
Please, Malaj, then I'll argue on merit.
Argue, sir. Merits, sir. Where are you in merits,
Impleading
sir?
application. On my impleading
On your,
application.
argue on your impleading
Kindly
application.
pass over.
No passover, sir.
Malaj,
Please.
I'll produce my
Come
ticket.
on,
I was
merits.
not in the country
I am
for
only
45 days.
asking one thing. Did you register a complaint against him at any point?
Yes, Malaj. I had
Why you
registered
did
the
not
complaint.
pursue it? Why you did not pursue it?
They filed a B report for that.
Ah.
They filed a B report
Filed
stating
B,
the.
have you challenged that B
No,
report?
no, Malaj.
I am asked question and answer.
Yes,
Have
I
you challenged
not
that B
challenged-
report?
I have not challenged that B report.
Anything
May-
else, sir?
May I make one submission?
You
Malaj?
can't interfere in this, sir. Yes.
Malaj, I'll argue on merits at
The
least. My lords
no,
may pass over.
you can't even come in. Where is the question of arguing on merits?
Question is not about just taking of the loan and repayment of the loan.
Why are you worried, sir? Your property is gone, sold to him.
No, that is not the question.
ಯಾಕೆ ಸೇಲ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ, sir?
Let's say ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ there is an interim order granted specifically.
Where?
In the same court,
Which court?
specifically, civil court.
ಏನ್
Specifically-
interim order?
Specifically.
ಏನ್ interim?
Directing the plaintiff petitioners herein not to create any charge, encumber or mortgage the property. This was the particular order. Subsequent to this order, a series of transactions have been
One
done.
minute, sir. Have you taken consideration for the sale or not?
No.
Free kotra?
13 crores is the total sale consideration. That is exactly my point. The very suit filed for cancellation of sale deed is on the point of consideration. Around for the property worth 40 crores.
Why did you sell it for 13
consideration
crores?
was shown.
Why did you sell it for 13 crores?
Plus, there was a particular clause.
Why
that
did
he
you
has-
sell it for 13 crores?
Malas, that fraudulently it was.
How did you enter into that fraud, sir?
Coercion, Malas, that is my crux of the case. Malas, may I just make, Malas,
Nothing.
may kindly
No,
consider
no,
this
sir,
submission
nothing,
and then pass
nothing,
on.
nothing. Yes, tell me. whatever.
If it was the case that only that they have taken the bank loan and they have repaid the amount, that would have been
You
a
tell
different
me
case.
who are you to enter into this? First, other impleading application. Don't go on merits.
Please, my lords.
Yes.
In view of the interim order, there was a particular charge, there was an order of the court to not to create any charge, encumber the property or alienate the property. What these petitioners do is, if it was only the case that they take a loan from one bank and then if they say now that one time settlement I'll pay madidare, I bow down, I don't have any case. They take this particular property, they fabricate the encumbrance certificate. Encumbrance certificate ಅಲ್ಲಿ slip ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನು charge ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ create ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು through multiple bank. That is the main matter. 3655 Punjab National Bank ali CBI, the FIR is still pending. The investigation is going on. That's what the main matter, investigation is state. Multiple banks in suppression of the earlier ಒಂದು leasehold rights ಅಂತ create ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. 42 crores ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ.
But
42 crores ಅನ್ನ
that's all right.
suppress.
That is between the bank and them.
It's not
All
only,
loans are
then
cleared. All loans are cleared.
Petitioner.
Let me file a memo.
Where is the
to assist
impleading
the
application? Kodi. Yes.
It's filed on 4/12/25. No, it's the fattest volume.
An impleading, what's your name, sir? Kaveri Educational Society.
Please, my lords.
The order on IA. The impleading applicant, Karnataka Kaveri Education Cultural Society, represented by its secretary, is wanting to implead into these proceedings. The society sells the property, yarige?
To my lord,
To the petitioners in both the petitions.
To the, sells the property to the petitioners in both these petitioners for a valuable consideration according to the sale deed at 13 crores. After the sale of the property, when was the property sold?
My lord, 2015, 23 to 2015.
23 to 2015. After the sale of the property, the impleading applicant institutes a suit in OS 5845 of 2015. In the said suit, the prayer sought by the present impleading applicant is as follows, page 31 to all the properties that were sold to this petitioner has become the fulcrum of the list. The sale deed is sought to be cancelled on the score that a property of 40 crores is sold at 13 crores.
Even 13 crores is not received.
That whatever, that's, you have said, we are before the suit anyway.
Please.
The petitioner, the impleading applicant then seeks to register a complaint against these petitioners before the jurisdictional police. The jurisdictional police conduct investigation and place a B report before the concerned court. The petition,
Endorsement, not B report, endorsement that you
civil
try
in
out.
nature.
Yes, civil.
The learned sorry, ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. A complaint comes to be registered before the jurisdictional police by the present impleading applicant, and the police render a non-cognizable report on the score that the issue was only civil in nature and the police would not interfere in the matter. Therefore, it was undoubtedly a civil case that had to be thrashed out by the present petitioner, present impleading applicant before the civil court. Rightly so, he has approached the civil court and the matter is pending adjudication before the civil court, and the prayer of it is quoted herein above. For the last 10 years, barring this, there is not even a single complaint registered by the impleading applicant against these petitioners on any ground whatsoever. Now, when the proceedings are between the bank and the petitioner, the impleading applicant wants to implead into these proceedings. In the light of the aforesaid circumstance, the impleading applicant cannot be brought into these proceedings to contest or contend whatever he has lost for the last 10 years, as he has not, except instituting this suit, he has done nothing to set the criminal law into motion. In a criminal law set into motion by the respondent bank or the CBI, to which the petitioner has now become an accused, the impleading applicant cannot enter in and contend that his property is the subject matter of mortgage with the bank, and therefore it is in violation of law. Once having sold the property and the sale deed being questioned before the concerned court, it is always open to the impleading applicant to urge all the contentions before the concerned court and not come into these proceedings to urge his contentions or to take advantage of his grounds, to take advantage of the pending proceedings without initiating anything in somebody else's proceeding. Therefore, the impleading application stands rejected. Yes, now on merits. Yes, sir.
Basically, I was the complainant in the
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಸರ್?
complainant to the Union Bank of India.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ನಾನೇ.
ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Please, Milad.
Yes. Now, where is the where is the CBI?
CBI.
Milords, I am appearing.
Yes,
for
ready.
CBI, Milords. Milords, on the last date of occasion.
All the amount is cleared.
Fully clear.
Milords, I have to take instructions on that,
No, no.
Milords, because from CBI I have not yet received any intimation regarding that.
No, I've filed the memo and given a copy to my learned friend as well. The settlement certificate is here.
The learned senior counsel Dhyan Chinnappa, appearing for the petitioner, submits that no claim or crime is subsisting qua the bank and the present petitioner, as
Crime
the
is
entire
subsisting, Milords. Claim is not.
ನಿಮಿಷ ಸರ್, our contention ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Subsisting qua the petitioner, disturb ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ರೀ. Yes. The learned senior counsel submits that there is no crime or claim subsisting qua the bank against the petitioner, as the entire loan amount is cleared. The learned counsel Rahul Reddy seeks time to secure instructions and make his submissions. List on Tuesday in the fresh matters list. Yes. Entry mode, if any subsisting, will continue till the next date of hearing.
Those connected matters, it may be listed.
Why are you worried? ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, impleading application reject ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್?
ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ impleading ಇದೆ ಅಂತ.
ಸೇಮ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕವರ್ಡ್. Yes. ಬರ್ಲಿ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ.
Please.
Number 3.
2014 crime.
ಅದು ಹಾಕಿಲ್ವಾ ಇನ್ನು?
ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Thought I'll take some time, my lords. My only main point, my lords, in this before even sir, because this is a matter where conviction has happened in the predicate offense. Now, having convicted,
conviction ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ತಾವು ಅಪೀಲ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಬೇಲೆಕೆರೆ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ 14 ವರ್ಷ ವರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ರೈಮ್.
We'll take it on 31st by then.
If I may submit only one thing in that regard, what my lords, having been convicted, so lords, now it is a bail petition.
No appeals. I have reserved the appeals for orders. By 31st, we'll pronounce it and we'll answer it later. List on 31st.
Please, Your Lordship. Milord, for petitioner in the first matter, my lordship.
Yes, sir.
Milord, interim order is there, my lord. As per the direction of this court, my lord, petitioner had joined for investigation on 23rd June, my lord. He has fully cooperated, my lord.
We'll see. We'll take it on 24th. List on 24th. The interim heard the learned senior counsel Asmat Pasha appearing for the petitioner. List the matter on 24th. The interim order subsisting will continue till the next date of hearing. Next.
Well, in 4.1, that is for cancellation of the bail.
Oh, ಅದು ಅವತ್ತೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಸರ್. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ heard the learned counsel for the petitioner and senior counsel for the respondent ಸಿ ವಿ ನಾಗೇಶ್ ಬರ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವತ್ತೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
5.
My lords, FIR section 188 IPC ಮತ್ತೆ 103 KP Act ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಮಲ್ಲೇಶ್ವರಂ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ 39. Page number 39.
Heard the learned counsel of the petitioner, the respondent. The petitioner is before the court calling in question the registration of the crime for offences punishable under section 188. Ondena? 188 103 of the KP Act. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the issue in the list stands completely answered by what this court has rendered in so and so page 39. Same order. Yes. Thanks.
Seal number 6.
Petitioner.
You're drop ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರಾ?
Same allegations. And my lord, the lordship will have to consider laying down some guidelines. What is the nature of inquiry to be conducted when accused appears for
can the learned magistrate will get into disputed questions of fact? Can he hold a mini inquiry? All those things, Your Lordship.
He has done that, is it here?
No. Yes, rightly passed an order to the extent.
Rightly dropping.
Rightly passed an order on the other issues, but so far as A2 is concerned, he has dropped.
ಅಲ್ಲ 100 ಪೇಜ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ.
It went on for a long time. Senior counsels appeared and.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೊತ್ತಾ?
More than complaint, objections runs into volumes.
So now, is notice?
Yes.
Notice returnable by 31st, list on 31st.
Great.
Yes.
7.
My lords, the investigation officer, my lords, in relation to the impugned crime, files a B report, my lords, as against the petitioner accused, my lords. My lords, page number 76. The learned magistrate, my lords, instead of passing necessary orders on the B report, directly issues a notice to the complainant. And my lords, after the complainant files a protest report, my lords, protest petition, even post that, my lords, without passing any orders on the B report.
Where do I get that?
My lords, page 76, my lords. Page 76. The DYSP cybercrime CID Bangalore submitted B forms. Please, my lords. And post that, my lords, notice comes to be issued to the complainant.
Where is the order rejecting B report?
No, my lords, there is no order passing. The magistrate has not at all passed any orders on the B report.
Then what has he done now?
And post that, my lords, the further investigation was being ordered by exercising power under 156(3).
Further investigation can be ordered.
No, my lords, if I may be permitted, my lords, one judgment, my lords, by coordinate bench of this.
What is, sir?
Wherein, my lords, this honorable court has observed, my lords. My lords,
ಯಾವ್ದು ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದಿರೋ ಜಡ್ಮೆಂಟ್?
Please, my lords.
Unreported.
Please, my lords.
2018 ILR 1725 ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Please, my lords. Here, my lords, 156(3), my lords, she ought not to have exercised the power, and that is being held. And post that, my lords, the
magistrate has the power to direct further. ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರಿಗಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ same.
Prior to that, my lords, it is a settled position of law that, my lords, they ought to have issued, my lords, or passed the orders on the B report, my lords. Without, my lords.
He is not satisfied with the B report. The
Please, my
problem
lords,
is doesn't say
and,
why.
And post that, my lords, page 87, my lords.
You can't hold the hands of the magistrate not to refer the matter for further investigation.
Lords, that is,
but he has to reason it out. He has not reasoned it out.
Is
That's
not
the only
reasonable.
thing.
Please, my lords.
Otherwise, it's always available. Power is always available.
Please, my lords. Speaking order is not passed, my lords. And that is at page 87.
Speaking order ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕಿದೆ.
Section 190 of CRPC, my lords, while taking a cognizance.
No, sir. Come to page 80 and 81.
Please, my lords.
ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ?
Page 80 and 81, my lords. Here, my lords, only the judgment has been quoted, my lords. This
part quoted, sir. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿ?
My lords, only
156(3) ಅಲ್ಲಿ further investigation is directed. What's the problem?
My lords, she has exercised under 153 subsection 3, my lords.
ಅದು ತಪ್ಪು, sir.
Please, my lords. And
typographical error.
And here, my lords, section 190 of the CRPC and 200 CRPC will come into question. And my lords, the coordinate bench has very specifically held
that judgment I am aware, sir.
That she ought not to have.
There are 5 postulates in para 5.
Please,
sir.
my lords.
What is
Please,
to
my
be
lords.
done?
And my lords, 3 postulates have not been answered. And my lords, post
unnecessary. If court has taken cognizance after rejecting the B report,
my lords, there is no order rejecting the B report, my lords.
No problem, sir. He has directed further investigation. Where is the question of rejection of B report?
My lords, my only humble submission is that clause 7, my lords.
No.
And
magistrate's power to direct further investigation cannot be shackled at all.
And my lords, the merit of the case is that, my lords, here in the complaint, she specifically states that yaro gottillada vyakti, and my lords, 160
Atrocities Act.
No, my lords.
Then
323 341, my lords.
No, 351 is there.
As against accused number 1, my lords, not against the other accused.
Election offense, sir.
Only against accused number 1, my lords.
Who are you all?
My lords, we are accused number 2 to 4, 9, 11 to 15 and 21, my lords.
Hello. Who are you all? What is the offense of this lady? But the order is not reasoned. That's all.
Please, my lords.
We'll send it back. Not today. The petitioner, one.
One is not there, my lords. Accused number 1 is not there.
One HCGP.
Please.
One HCGP. Emergent notice to the. Just response there.
Sole respondent number 2.
Emergent notice to the complainant returnable by 31st. The petitioner is before the court calling in question the act of the learned magistrate referring the matter for further investigation as obtaining under subsection 3 of section 156 of the CRPC. The learned counsel for the petitioner taking this court through the documents appended to the petition would seek to demonstrate that the police, after investigation, file a B report. The learned magistrate ought to have either rejected the B report and reasoned out why he is ordering further investigation. The order of the learned magistrate does not speak of the reason why he wants to order further investigation, as is contended by the learned counsel for the petitioner. Solely on that ground, the order is interdicted. There shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings in crime number 7 of 20,
One
further
more.
investigation, crime number 7 of
It is registered as CC number, my lord.
CCN
25160.
so and so till the next date of hearing, 31st.
Please, my lord, oblige.
Petition. Millards, the challenge is to the complaint filed by the ED, Millards, wherein Millards, the basis for registration.
Objections haki.
Appeals.
The learned counsel Annapurna, notice.
I'll take notice.
Accepts notice for the Respondent Enforcement Directorate. Objections, if any, by the next date, 31st. Yes.
My lord, if I seek a kind indulgence in serial number 1, my lord.
No, that's not correct. How, 7th adjournment?
My lord,
This is not correct, madam.
this came on record.
No.
Kindly
All that is not.
That's
Why?
have it at 2:30.
No, nothing.
It was at 2:30. my lord.
Nothing.
That's one.
If you want in a cancellation of bail petition, 7 adjournments, nothing doing.
Came on record.
Well, that's not the problem, madam. As if there were no counsels for the ED.
Kindly pass it over. my
No,
lord.
madam.
At
Yes.
2:30.
Last time I ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
2:30. my lord.
Can you ever see 8 adjournments being granted on a matter which is for cancellation of bail?
I agree. my
Hinge,
lord.
this is the problem. That's why pendency. Yes.
My lord, it's 2:30.
No, madam.
May kindly
It's done. Yes.
Millards, one submission. Millards, predicate offences are before this honorable court, Millards.
It's
Both the
reserved for
matters,
judgment, my lord.
both the appeals were
Dismissed, madam. No reserved.
Not this one. lord.
Which one?
in this matter, Millards, in serial number 8,
Criminal appeals.
criminal appeals.
ಆಯ್ತು ಬರ್ಲಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 31ಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, must.
9.
There is no representation on behalf of the petitioner right from the day office objections have been overruled. Even today, there is no representation, dismissed for non-prosecution.
10.
That's in the connected matters, my lords have issued notice. It's made.
Tag along with so-and-so, same order.
Millards,
11.
Millards, serial number 11, I am appearing for the petitioner, Millards.
Hmm.
Millards, there is some inadvertent error on our side. This, Millards, the family member of the petitioner is an MLA, therefore this does not come under the category of MP MLA matter, Millards.
List the matter on 27th in the fresh matters list, taking it out from the purview of the special court.
Can I request for Tuesday, Millards? There is
No,
some
no,
urgency
yes.
in this matter.
Next.
Grateful.
Hearing on 12.
Lord, page
Vacating stay.
23 is the complaint. 3 aspects, Lord. One,
Wait, where is the response counsel? It's come on vacating stay. What's the matter?
yes, page 23 is the complaint, Lord. I am ex-MLA. I also belong to the scheduled caste. Yet this schedule, the Atrocities Act has been
ಅದು
invoked.
ಒಂದಾಯ್ತು ಬೇರೆ
One,
complaint.
ಎರಡನೇದು, yes, my lord. Second is, my lord, inordinate delay. And your lordships will see the allegation is page 23.
How inordinate?
It's, my lord, 40 days.
Seriously.
ಅಲ್ಲ.
Yes, ಆಮೇಲೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ದ ಎಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಅವರು ಸರ್ವೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸರ್ವೆ ಆಫೀಸರ್ನ ಕರೆಸಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಆ ಸರ್ವೆ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಹೊಡೆದ್ರು, ನನ್ನ ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಎಲಿಗೇಷನ್. ನೋ ಸರ್ವೆ ಆಫೀಸರ್, ನೋ ಬಡಿ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಅದರ್ ದನ್ ದೀಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್ will not register the complaint. Your lordships will see page 24.
Who appears for the complainant?
There is
ಯಾರು
no
ಸ್ಟೇಟ್
representation from
ಸ್ಟೇಟ್
the
ಹಾಕಿರೋ ವೆಕೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೇನಾ ಅವರ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಹಾಕಿರೋ
ನೀವಾ? ಅಲ್ಲ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬೀನ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಮೊದಲಿಂದ ನಾನು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೀನ್
ಬಂದಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ. Your lordships will see ಸರ್ವೆ ಚೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಿತ್ತೆಳೆದು ಪೇಜ್ 24, my lord, last ಐ ನಾಟ್ ರೀಡ್ ದೋಸ್ my lord ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಈ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಜೀವ ಸಹಿತ ಬಿಡಬೇಡಿ, ಆಸ್ತಿ ನಮಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ, ಸರ್ವೆ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಈತನು ಪೇಜ್
ಸ್ಟೇ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. Heard the learned counsel Sridhar Prabhu appearing for the petitioner, there is no representation on behalf of the respondents who have filed application seeking vacation of the interim order. In the light of no representation for the respondents, the application would be considered along with the main matter, post the matter for admission. Yes.
Is already interim order is there.
Interim order subsisting will continue till the disposal of the petition.
13.
This is that SCST
No,
last
avat
time.
kelidnala idu.
Yes, I'll just point out 4 dates and I'll close. This allegation is, my lords, that 31/3/2007, petitioners, my lords, not directly through their officers, tried to disturb them from their possession. 31/3/2007.
Dates ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅದು ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ.
Yes, we have done that. We have compiled. I'll file a short note. Just 5 points. I'll just highlight. 2007 is the alleged incident. 2018 is the complaint. But I'll go back. 2010-1-2025 is the B report file. No orders are passed by the learned sessions judge on that. Prior to that, 1999 is the decision of the state government to hand over these lands to us. Challenged in a PIL, dismissed, but upheld by the Honorable Supreme Court. All those things are there. Then there is a lease deed.
note
all of them are there. No, we have given a compilation, but compilation is given, but I'll have to prepare a note.
Synopsis.
Synopsis
List of dates and events.
One short note by evening note I'll place it on. Or lordship may reserve it note, I'll place it on.
Last time ಅದೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು.
Sir.
ಇನ್ನೇನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಶಾರ್ಟ್
ತಹಸೀಲ್ದಾರ್ ಒಂದು ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ತಾನೆ.
At Japanese house case
Japanese house.
With regard to delay is concerned, may not for a moment may I take it to my lordship.
ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್. ಏನಿದೆ ಕೊಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ.
So with regard to any serious offences.
It's not Japanese house. Japanese house.
Japanese house case.
Japanese house.
Para number.
Japanese sahu.
Yes, no. Para number 14.
But this is for 468. That is delay in filing limitation. I'm just bringing. No,
ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್ ನೀವು.
Not in serious in offences. The crime never dies. That is
course, never dies, sir.
That is the crux of the matter in the Japanese Sao case. The second thing is now the senior counsel has produced some documents to show that the land has not been granted to the respondent, and moreover which has been acquired by them and all through government and all. Not it is their defense. Not let them establish it, go and before the trial court and establish their defense before the trial court. The fact is that what they have challenged before this honorable court is taking cognizance of the offense. The complaint prima facie shows that there is a cognizable offense is made out. And the fact is this, my lordship permits.
ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್. I am all ears. ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್.
The fact is this, this land has been granted in the year.
ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಹೊಸದೇನು ಜಪಾನೀಸ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು. All right. Heard reserved please. Yes. ನೋಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾರ ನೋಡಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ ಕೊಡಿಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. ಮೇಡಮ್, ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ವೆಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು ನೀವು, ಶ್ರೀಧರ್ ಪ್ರಭು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅದು ಫುಲ್ ಆ ಥರ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬರಿಬೇಡಿ, ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ. Will be heard along with the main matter as hearing the application and the main matter are one and the same. ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರೀ. Yes.
14.
I approve the petitioner, please. Plus, the office has raised an objection with regard to the maintainability of the petition. Plus, in the Sessions case, I was examined as a witness, PW 44. Course of investigation, my statement was recorded at 164. I resigned from that particular statement and I was treated hostile in the Sessions Court. The judgment of past plea is not convicting many accused persons and acquitting few of them.
ಈಗ
Operative portion of
ಕನ್ವಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
conviction ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಏನ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಈಗ?
In the operative portion on 618.
Which?
618 of the paperwork. The last page of portion of the paperwork. Last para. Acting under section 340 CRPC, the registrar of civil court is hereby directed to register case of perjury against police PW 24 Shivananda Chalwadi and PW 44 Babu Kati. Because I had turned hostile, this an observation has been made, this particular. This could not have been made without an inquiry.
Appeal file ಮಾಡಿ. Challenge it in appeal.
Unless appeal is not maintainable because of the reason.
Why?
I'll read, please, that particular provision.
Which provision?
Wherein it says that if there were to be an order of registering a complaint, or if there were to be an order refusing to lodge a complaint, I can file an appeal under section 380 please, of the BNSS. 380 BNSS, I'll read, please. Appeal. Shall I please? An appeal, any person on whose application any court other than a high court has refused to make a complaint under subsection 1 of subsection 2 of section 279 or against whom such a complaint has been made by such court may appeal to the court to which the former court is subordinate. A complaint either should have been refused to be made or should have been made. Here is an order issuing direction to register a complaint.
Perjury.
For perjury. Here is an order directing to initiate a complaint. We are at a premature stage. We have not reached the stage of a complaint having been registered or the complaint having been refused. In this regard, exactly similar situation. I got a bunch of decisions. The first one, please note, is Nandish Reddy case by the Supreme Court, please note. On paragraph number 13, para 13. Apart from factual aspect noted above relating to the evidence tendered in the initial case, it is not a case where the appellant is a party respondent to the election petition, where his written version was available. On the other hand, he was examined as a witness by the election petitioner as PW3. No doubt the learned judge has chosen to call him as a court witness by interrupting the cross-examination and posing question to him. Be that as it may, it is also not a situation where the petitioner had filed an application of 340 of criminal procedure court seeking action. If was that a case, the appellant would have had an opportunity to file a version in reply to the application. That apart, the learned judge also had not put appellant on notice on the allegations committing perjury and provide him an opportunity, nor has the learned judge come to the conclusion that one of the versions is deliberately and intentionally falsehood, and that therefore action is necessary to be taken against him. On the other hand, the learned judge, in the course of passing the final order, has made certain observations and directed the Registrar General shall file a complaint. Inquiry is a must, please, notes. Then the next judgment. Then on paragraph 17 of the same judgment.
Vinay Kulkarni case connected.
Please, notes.
Who are you, witness?
I am PW 44 witness.
54, 44.
44. And I have given an explanation as to why and what made me to make a statement under 164. They compelled me to make a statement. They stripped me. They bet me.
Yes, madam.
I don't have the papers yet because I'm served.
ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬಿಡಿ. The office objections qua maintainability stands overruled.
My lords, can I make a submission, my lords? Our
Yes,
objection is that it is criminal appeal, my lords. Your lordship may
Um,
kindly see.
Tell me how it is.
My lords, 340 has to be read in conjuncture with 195 of IPC. My lords, 340 is a desirable provision. It is not a prerequisite. My lords, even otherwise, what my learned senior friend is
Now, a
challenging.
direction is issued to register
Please.
a complaint.
Please,
It is not either acquitting or convicting.
please.
It's all. In a 340 proceeding, if he is acquitted, yes. If he is convicted, yes. Now, the several directions are issued about others, about what the PW 44 is, that he was independent witness, therefore his proceedings are directed to be initiated against him. For
Please.
this is an appeal maintainable.
Please, my lords, there are a set of
Then you
judgments.
convince me on that, yes.
Please, my lords, your
Bless
lordship
the
may have it.
matter
Please.
next Friday.
Please.
Bless the matter on Friday the next at the request of the council appearing for the CBI, who submits that an appeal is maintainable and not the present petition. Next Friday.
Entry ಮಾಡೋರು.
Yeah, ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ.
ಯಾರು ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇದೆ.
It is already there.
ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ.
The connected matter is
Entry order subsisting will continue till the next date of hearing. Yes. Which is that same, that is CW 54. All right, yes. In the light of the interim order subsisting in the companion petition, there shall be an interim order in the case at hand as well. Bless the matter on 31st.
Grateful.
ನಿಮಗೂ ಅದೇ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಾ? ನಿಮಗೂ ಅದೇ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಕೊಡಿ 31st, ಎಸ್. ಇವತ್ತು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ತಾನೇ ಅದು? ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ FR, ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ WP ಸೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಸರ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಸರ್? ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ ಬಿಡಿ. ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ದಿರೋ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ. Is there any semblance to ask something? What is this?
15 orders.
Appeal against acquittal order. All appeals. 31st, yes.
Is respondent number 4 is represented by respondent number 5 and 6. 4 is the company. 5 and 6 I am the representative.
31 ತಗೋಣ. ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ 16 also 31st.
17.
May I please, my lords?
Yes, Madhu.
It's for the cancellation of bail. The last time they were supposed to file objections.
Filing her objections.
Cancel ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದು?
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. Nominated.
Yes.
My lords, this is a cancellation moved by
Correct.
the ED.
Bless the matter on 24th. The counsel for the respondent
24th,
files his objections.
Some inconvenience.
31st, yes. Bail ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ? Cancellation of bail.
My lords. Yes, my lords. After 4.5 months of this arrest, he was granted bail, my lords.
Oh, no problem. Yes. Yes.
18.
Let's petitioners or accused numbers 3, 4 and 5.
Office objections ಏನು?
Office objections. Yeah, no office objections.
No na.
Come up, last time it come up.
ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ? ಇದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಂದಿದ್ರು.
ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ.
ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಫೈಲ್
ಯಾರ್ದು ಇದು?
HD Revanna's case.
Oh, that HD Revanna.
Yes,
364A.
Yes, please.
Yes, sir. ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್.
These are accused numbers 3, 4 and 5.
ನೀವು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಹೌದು. ಅಲ್ಲ, there is no material malice and proceedings against these accused. We have futile excesses. That's what their lordships of the Supreme Court have held.
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ ಈಗ? ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. No, at the stage of charge, pass on this.
ಏನು?
When the Supreme Court judgment.
ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್, ಕೊಡಿ. ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Para 26, please, Millards. Even assuming the FIR is accurate, it does not substantiate the charges, which appears to have been mechanically transcribed into the charge sheet. Despite the investigating agency having had sufficient opportunity to gather material evidence, notably no element of illegal confinement, trafficking, or criminal conspiracy has been established against Ajay Malik. Additionally, the complainant has under oath stated that she was not illegally confined. If this remains her position in court, the purpose of proceeding to trial becomes questionable, amounting to an exercise of futility and a sheer wastage of judicial resources. It's under these circumstances. In the instant case also, the victim, my lords, she gives a statement, 164 statement before the learned magistrate on oath. And there also, my lords, she does not make any allegation against these three, 4, and 5.
Discharge is rejected.
Also, at the time of rejecting my application, please, the learned magistrate is very clear at para 20, page 20, please.
Page?
Page 28, para 20. No doubt, as rightly argued by... Please.
ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ
Please, sir. Let's page 28, para 20, please. No doubt, as rightly argued by the defense counsel, there are no direct materials to establish.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ನನಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅದು
Ink page 40 minutes.
40.
Ink page 40 and the...
para 20.
Para 20. That's no doubt, as rightly argued by the defense counsel, there are no direct materials to establish any such agreement or meeting of minds among the accused numbers 3 to 5 and the accused number 2 or the accused number 1 and 8. However, as already stated herein above, from the alleged statements of these accused number 3 and 4, as well as accused number 2, prima facie it appears that the accused numbers 3 and 4 took their car to carry the victim from her village to Saligram as per the request of accused number 2. Except that, Millets, they have dropped her from their village to Saligram. Other than that, Millets, absolutely there is nothing to connect these accused with the alleged crime. Absolutely there are no materials. 364A, 365, nothing of that sort, Millets.
120B ಸಾಕು
ಅಲ್ಲ 120B ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾ 20 ಮಿನಿಟ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ರೆಡ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾ 20 ಪೇಜ್ 40
agreement or meeting of minds
nothing of that sort millets there was no meeting of minds, there was no conspiracy, nothing of that sort except drop that lady from her village to Saligrama. Except that millets absolutely nothing to connect with the alleged crime.
Coming? He was on VC?
Yes, yes.
Yes, Jagdish sir.
Para 21, 22, all of that has detailed their role.
364A
ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದೇನು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ಫೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವರ್ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ವರ್ ಟು confine her, detain her, nothing of that sort, except dropping her in the car at the instance of accused number 2 from her village to Saligram. Except that, nothing.
CDRs are also there, my lord.
That too, on her request, she was shifted. She goes to accused number 8's house, and there she had conversation with accused number 8. And from there, she went in a different car to some other place. Except that, let's absolutely nothing as far as 3, 4, and 5 are concerned.
Now, the
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇವರು ಇದ್ಯಾಕೆ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರು ಈಗ ಡಿಸ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ
if they've seen the entire material and the charge sheet and the CDR analysis which you have done, probably they would have realized it is. That's why the issue. I can place, my lord, that CDRs.
The petitioners are accused 3, 4, and 5 in CC 26463 of 2024. The fulcrum of the list relates to the accusations against accused number 1, 2, and 3, including these petitioners of abduction or of kidnapping for ransom or otherwise. A crime comes to be registered on 2/5/2024, which becomes a crime. A complaint comes to be registered on 2/5/2024, which becomes a crime in crime number 149 of 2024 for the following offences. The police conduct investigation and file a charge sheet against all the accused. Insofar as the present petitioners are concerned, accused 4,
3, 4, and 5.
3, 4, you are
3, 4, and
3,
5.
4, and 5. The allegations are as follows. Page 94, 95, 96. Mark portion. On filing of the charge, the petitioners seek discharge from the array of accused before the concerned court by filing an application under section 239 of the CRPC. The said application comes to be rejected. Therefore, the petitioners are before this court knocking stand at the doors of this court, calling in question the proceedings in CC 26463 of 2024 and the order that rejects the discharge. The learned counsel appearing for the petitioner taking this court through the charge sheet or the order of the concerned court would contend that the court has clearly observed that there are no direct materials to establish any agreement of minds or meeting of minds as is necessary for an offense under section 120B of the CRPC, of the IPC. The concerned court further, the counsel would take this court further to the orders of the concerned court to contend that the accused number 3 to 5 and 2 have have communications with relation to abduction, but that would not be enough circumstance for permitting further trial against these petitioners. The petitioners except carrying the victim, except taking the victim in the car and dropping her at a farmhouse, there is no
Farmhouse. To the house of
to the
accused number
house.
8.
Farm tagdbidi, bari house aki.
Accused
To the
number
house
8.
of accused number 8, there is no other allegation. He would, on these circumstances, submit that permitting further proceedings or trial against these petitioners would become an abuse of the process of the law. He would seek to place reliance upon the judgment of the apex court in the case of so and so AAR 2022. So and so. The per contra, the special prosecutor B.N. Jagdish would take this court through these very documents that are relied on by the learned counsel for the respondent, for the petitioner to contend that the order of the concerned court rejecting discharge does not stop at the observation that there is no meeting of minds, but it travels beyond that to record the call record details or otherwise. The learned special prosecutor would submit that the concerned court has completely ignored the ingredients that are completely ignored the observations made in the charge sheet, which is specific to each of the accused and their specific role in the episode of crime. He would seek dismissal of the petition. The afore narrated facts are not in dispute. The role of each of the petitioners are as narrated herein above. The petitioners on the said role and drawing them as accused in CC 26463 of 2024 seek their discharge from the hands of the concerned court. The concerned court, by the following order, rejects the application for discharge. Page 14, page 40 to 45. The learned counsel for the petitioner is picking 3 sentences from the said order and wanting to draw conclusion, or wanting this court to draw conclusion that there are no allegations against the petitioner. A charge sheet is clear. A role of each of the accused in the episode of crime, whether they have dropped the victim in their car to house of accused number 8 or otherwise, all of which will have to be thrashed out in a full-blown trial. This court, in exercise of jurisdiction under section 528 of the BNSS, would not step into seriously disputed questions of fact, particularly in the teeth of the charge, pointing at each of the accused's role. The petition lacking in merit stands rejected.
Please.
19.
My lord, this is a complaint registered by Karnataka State Level Impact Assessment Authority regarding environmental clearance. The subject matter is pending before the Honorable Apex Court. It will have bearing on this matter.
Stay ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
Stay them.
Heard the learned counsel Girish Bharadwaj appearing for the petitioner. This court on 12/6/2026 had passed the following order. He said the learned counsel would submit that identical issue is pending before the apex court in so and so court ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ವಿಜಯವಾಯಿ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ. In the light of the issue pending before the apex court and it having an impact on this case, the matter stands adjourned by 4 weeks. Interim order subsisting would continue till the next date of hearing.
Great.
20.
BDA. ಏನು?
Earlier, my lord, BDA, my lord, under certain directions, takes out a demolition, my lord, and a repossession drive. Challenging that, my lord, the petitioner would come before the complainant would come before this honorable court in a writ petition, seeks particularly the same prayers and withdraws. Your lordship's order may kindly see, my lord. My lord's order is at page number, my lord, 8.
Oh, BDR.
Yes, spills over to page number 9. At page number 9, my lord sees what all the prayers that were asked. I'm sorry.
ಇಷ್ಟು ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ನೀವು?
I'm sorry.
Page
9, your lordship sees, my lord, these are your lordship's observations. With a memo it is
ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ತಾನೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ.
With a memo it is passed.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನವೀದ್? Naveen is the last time ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ.
Not coming, my lord. They have abandoned the matter, my lord. We can't be being, my lord, BDA commissioner, chairman, everyone are put to, my lord, unwarranted malady for this reason.
Enter ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಇದೆ, but my lord, this has to go, my lord. This is nothing but, my lord, sheer misuse of.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಸರ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್? Which memo?
My lord, may I just pass on 1 second? My lord, sir, kindly have page number 8.
Oh, I got it.
Yes. Page number 8, your lordship, my lord, it starts. Please see, my lord, page number
Files
9.
a memo to withdraw reserving liberty to challenge. Ada.
Yes. My lord, see what is the
ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇವರು?
ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲೋಗಿ PCR ಹಾಕೋದು. Commissioner can't be, my lord, commissioner and such kind of functionaries can't be, my lord. Chairman and commissioners can't.
Above the law, na?
Not above the law, my lord. This kind of, my lord, mischievous
ಅದು ಬೇರೆ. Chairman commissioner ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ crime can't be registered ಅಂದ್ರೆ.
And my lord, what these people do is they come outside, stand outside the courtroom, and my lord, my lord, court premises, and give, my lord, some statements to the media. BDA ನವರು ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, chairman ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕ?
Your lordships, my lords, have repeatedly observed that Sidram Satlingappa Matre, even, my lord, an allegation of a criminal case causes, my lord, ignominy.
Ignominy, yes. Can't.
Why should this be, my lord, pending?
Because he has not come.
I don't, my lord, they are not coming. They'll not come also. Last date also he didn't come. In fact, your lordships have noted it in the last date, my lord. My lords particularly said that if they don't show up, my lord, your lordships would decide.
I have seen.
And I'm sorry to say, my lord, the learned magistrate hallucinates something and my lord simply says issue notice. Forgets, my lord, the basics, my lord, before invoking, my lord, the criminal law, the basics, my lord, against public servants.
ಏನ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಸ್?
The necessary sanctions were not there.
Sanction,
Inquiries are
crime
not
register
there.
ಮಾಡಕ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಷನ್
Crime register ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಡ, notice issue ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಯಾಕ್ಬೇಕು?
Sanction ಅಲ್ಲ, at least, my lord, some preliminary application of
Sanction
fine
ಹೋಯ್ತಾ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ?
should serve through the complaint, bona fides.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ಲಿ, ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. In fact, my lord, that your lordships, my lord, have referred it. Rashtriya Rifles, my lord, had an issue that should it require, whether the sanction is required at the institution, then my lord, that
That
was.
is MK Ayyappa.
Yes, MK Ayyappa.
That is referred to larger bench.
Yes.
MK Ayyappa was rendered when PC Act was not amended.
Yes.
Now approval ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದು ಬೇಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Ayyappa's observation may largely dilute, but anyway, it's referred to larger bench.
ಹೌದು.
In what? In which judgment?
My lord, that her lordship Justice Nagaratna's judgment also, my lord, on the same line.
ಅದು 17 EMLS.
ಹೌದು.
That is again larger bench.
Larger bench.
Ayyappa is referred to larger bench. ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ?
MK Ayyappa's, my lord, I know that.
ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಅಯ್ಯಪ್ಪ ಗೊತ್ತು, refer to larger bench.
I refer to larger bench ಅಂತಾನೂ ಗೊತ್ತು.
Manju Surana's.
I am sorry.
In Manju Surana's case, it's referred to larger bench. Afterwards, there are about 6 references based on Manju Surana.
ಹೌದು.
ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
But my lord, this is not something, my lord, which at least magistrates, my lord, should take, my lord, a careful call, my lord, before they are trying to impute, my lord, public officials. They are not coming, my lord.
Only you have come. Yes. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ?
This should be, my lord, set at naught. There is
I
nothing,
am
my
not
lord, in the
looking at
complaint.
only
Your lordship
setting-
sees, my lord, the PCI
No.
memo.
I am not only looking at setting at naught, something more than that.
I know, my lord.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ I want him, but anyway.
I think my learned, then Mr. SPP should assist your lordships on this, my lord, at least. Sometimes, I know, my
Private
lord,
complaint, sir.
I know, my lord, but fairness demands, my lord, he should.
That SPP should assist in every case.
Not, my lord.
Then?
Fairly in this kind of cases, at least. Where, my lord, his
ಆಮೇಲೆ
officers
ನಿಮ್
are
ಎಲ್ಲಾ
at
ಕೇಸಲ್ಲೂ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರು.
stake. I know, my lord. It's quite converse otherwise.
Hey, Shyam Sundar sir, he fairly concedes.
My lord, this people, my lord, tumbling into private
Anyway,
complaint court.
let's answer the reality after hearing the rhetoric. Yes. The petitioner is before the court. Petitioner, the commissioner of the Bangalore Development Authority, the chairman, and other officers of the Bangalore Development Authority stand at the doors of this court, calling in question the registration of a private complaint. Refer ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Explanation call ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ already.
Registration ವಾಪಸ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೇನೆ ಪ್ರೀ ಕಾಗ್ನಿಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಂತ. Registration of a private complaint in 10004 of 2025. The heard so and so. The second respondent is the complainant. A private complaint, first
respondent.
of second year, accused number 6, ಅವ್ರನ್ನೇ respond ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? Yes. The first respondent is the complainant. A private complaint comes to be registered against these petitioners alleging that they had demolished the complainant scheduled property shop number 31/1 at Neelasandra, so and so, Neelasandra, Vivek Nagar, Bangalore. The petitioners are said to have performed the duties in their official capacity. The complainant had challenged this said act of the petitioners allegedly performed demolishing the property of the complainant, the shop that was unauthorizedly constructed and standing in the property of the BDA, had challenges the said action in writ petition 20527 of 2025. Withdraws the said writ petition on 22nd July 2025. The prayer sought and withdrawal is as follows. What was challenged was the auction notice of the property. Auction notice yaka?
Subsequently, after the demolition, my lord, the BDA opted to auction the property.
The auction of the property subsequent to the demolition of the property, as the property belonged to the Bangalore Development Authority. After withdrawal of the subject petition, the complainant registers a complaint drawing all and sundry of the Bangalore Development Authority, right from the commissioner to the assistant executive engineer, as accused by registering a private complaint. The learned magistrate issues notice to these petitioners without even looking into the fact whether the officers in their official capacity who have performed the duties of demolition of a property of unauthorized construction and putting up the said property of belonging to the BDA for auction has directed replies to be given by these petitioners. In the normal circumstance, this court would not entertain the petition at this stage where a reply ought to be given by the accused before the concerned court, and the concerned court, in the event of taking of cognizance, reserving liberty to those accused to approach the court. The circumstance in the case at hand is entirely different. The very institution of the private complaint ought not to have been entertained in the peculiar facts of this case, as the petitioners have only performed their duties as the property belonged to the BDA and the complainant was squatting over the property unauthorizedly. The shop is demolished, the property is put to auction, the crime is registered. If this cannot become a classic illustration of abuse of the process of the law, I do not find any better illustration. In the light of the said circumstance, permitting these proceedings even to proceed, permitting the private complaint to proceed any further would result in miscarriage of justice for the aforesaid reasons on allowed cost.
Greatly pleased.
ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಪ್ಯಾರಾ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇವ್ರದ್ದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದಿ ಆಪರೇಟಿವ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್. The counsel for the complainant, after registering the complaint, has remained absent throughout. A coordinate bench on 24/4/2026 had passed the following order. Even on that day, the complainant was not present. On 3/7/2026, this court passed the following order. Even on that day, the complainant was not present. Even today, the complainant is not present. Therefore, the learned senior counsel appearing for the petitioners are heard and the aforesaid order is passed.
Greatly.
21.
May be taken up on 21st, my lord.
ಏನಿದು?
24th, my lord. ಬಗರುಕು, my lord, where the
ನಾ ಏನ್ ಬೇಲ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ.
arrest ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ this is, my lord, arrest formality, my lord, that irregularities that may be taken
ಏನ್
up
irregularities?
whitener ಹಾಕಿ grounds of arrest
ಅಲ್ವೇ ಅಲ್ಲ.
may be taken up on that.
Anything else?
May be taken up along with that matter.
Along with what?
There is a bail petition pending. This is not bail petition.
ಇದು ಕ್ವಾಷನ್ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ನಾ?
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ arrest formality, my lord, that we have challenged and my lord sought for release, my lord, on that.
This man does not
Can be disposed of, my lord. This need not be pending. Your lordship, one indulgence.
Whitener ಇದು?
Whitener. You may request your lordship
There
to
is
page 80. my
You
lord.
urge all the contentions in that.
Very well.
One
That with that
request, my lord.
liberty that may be.
Your lordship may request your lordship page 80, my lord.
80.
80. This is the document my learner friend making an allegation that we put Whitener.
Whitener ಅಂತ.
Yes, my lord.
80 ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪಿದೆ.
Mostly ತಪ್ಪಿದೆ. Page number
80 ಅಲ್ಲ. Maybe 85 ಇರ್ಬೋದು.
ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲ.
85 and 86, my lord.
ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆಯೋ? ಎಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇ ವೈಟ್ನರ್ ಹಾಕಿರತ್ತ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ತೋರಿಸಿ.
Only request, my lord, to see the date.
ಏನ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು?
Date he put 26/6/2026. And this document supposed to have signed on 19/6. Magistrate receives this document on 19/6.
26/6 ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಪೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Anyway, even if that is not there, that is not will not vitiate the things.
Grounds of arrest served, my lord. 3 different IO's name was mentioned. Lord, it is not.
Grounds of arrest ಬಂದಿದೆ ತಾನೆ?
ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಬಟ್ 3 IO ಗಳದ್ದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಒಂದೊಂದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಐಒ, ಒಂದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಐಒ.
ಒಂದ್ರಲ್ಲಾರು ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಯಾವ ಐಒ ಏನು ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ, that they are not specific.
Why do you want to know who is the IO? Contents.
My right, it is my right to know, my lord.
Who is the IO anta?
Of arrest and who has arrested me.
Wounds of arrest.
No, who has arrested me I should know who has arrested me. That is there.
ಆಮೇಲೆ yes sir.
24.
ಇನ್ನೇನ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಬೇಕಾ? Yes. Let's the matter on ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲ.
Liberty to urge all these contentions in the bail petition.
Heard the learned senior counsel Shri Arun Shyam appearing for the petitioner. The learned senior counsel of arguing the matter at length would seek leave of this court to withdraw the petition and urge all the contentions that are urged in the subject petition in criminal petition. Number kodi.
Number kodi.
Reserving such liberty, the petition stands disposed. Next.
22.
Application for modifying the condition of bail had been filed.
Relaxation of condition.
Relaxation.
Yen relaxation, sir.
On page 83, your lordship.
ಯಾವ condition?
Last one, fifth one.
Shall not leave the
Petitioner
jurisdiction.
or travel abroad without obtaining written permission.
ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಈಗ ನೀವು?
So she was a student when this investigation started in England.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ?
Now she has to continue further. The others have been granted relief. That would be seen at 85.
ಏನು others have granted the relaxation?
Relaxation of all these type of conditions. And she is not an accused in the predicate offense.
Daughter.
May I make one submission?
Hmm.
She was the owner of.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರದೇನಾ?
And my lords, one more thing.
She is not an accused?
My lords, that I was coming to that, my lords. Summons was issued. 3 summons not cooperated, my lords.
Pre the anticipatory bail.
No.
Post the anticipatory bail.
Post the anticipatory bail, my lords. That was during that period. Then thereafterwards, my lords, they have not cooperated with regard to 13/4/2026. We had certain documents. No documents given. It is on record.
ಕೊಡಿ.
It is on record, my lords. My only.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕೋಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗಿ.
Whatever we have not received it. Otherwise, we are cooperating. In fact,
The learned counsel Madhu N. Rao submits that post the grant of anticipatory bail, the petitioner is not cooperating with the investigation and no documents are handed over. The learned senior counsel would however dispute the position. In the light.
In their own application in para 10, they say 13/4/2026, after the grant of anticipatory bail, she attended the investigation, but we are telling she did not give the documentation. It's their own admission.
we have attended.
The learned directorate will be handed over.
Petition
Will be handed over to the respondent ED. The petitioner, when do you?
When they give us a
The
date,
learned counsel shall, the enforcement directorate shall issue notice to the respondent, pursuant to which the respondent shall hand.
Set aside the impugned order of discharge. We've invoked.
Challenging the discharge order, is it?
Yes, my lord.
Notice ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
We've invoked.
Maintainability, why?
We've invoked 528 of BNSS instead of 438 BNSS, my
Yes,
lord.
whatever.
I may be
Cancellation of
permitted.
bail, is it? Cancellation of bail or discharge order?
Discharge order, my lord. I
One
may be permitted to amend
Where is
the
the order?
petition to that extent.
One
my
moment, where is the order? Discharged, yes. Amend that provision. Emergent notice to the respondent. Next.
Great.
Respondents.
24.
25 and.
Rejected.
Rejected. And,
Anticipatory bail rejected.
Reject ಆಗಿದೆ. Mainly on the ground that I have not stated in my petition regarding their evocation.
24, 25, 26, my lord, it's the same Bagarukum committee matter.
ಯಾವುದು?
Bagarukum.
ಅದೇನಾ?
ಅದೇ.
May
All
make
3
one
matters, my
petition.
lord.
So far as this petition is concerned, second petitioner is a woman. She is
So?
carrying 6 months. There is some urgency.
Carrying 6 months?
6 months pregnant too. Dukoskara. And your lordship has considered the same relief. So far as A2 and A6.
Kotidina?
That I have produced at page 62.
60?
62. Against whom their names are mentioned in the FIR. So far as petitioners are concerned, their names are not mentioned in the FIR.
Yes,
And
Jagdish sir.
I'll seek instruction.
Page 62, Malay.
These are the people whom during the course of investigation realized that they have played an active role. I need to verify what is the exact role played by them. Next Friday, my lord, leadership can take it.
Placed on 24th. A role illa andre I will grant. Yes. 24th. Onde vara.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ short date ಕೊಟ್ಟು because
24th. Yes. Next.
25, 26, all three.
Same 24, 25, 26.
127 of RP Act, my lord. Allegation is that, my lord, during 48 hours of
During
48 hours prior to the date of poll, my lord, I visited one school and
why did you visit?
My lord, your lordship, 127 ಅಲ್ಲಿ I should not conduct public rally. 127, my lord.
Judgment ಕೊಡಿ.
127 RP.
ಇಲ್ವಾ? ನಿಮ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ವಾ ನಾನು?
ಹೌದು.
ತಗೊಂಬನ್ನಿ. Yes. 24th.
Macham.
Yes. Next.
Regarding speech, my lord.
Speech.
Yes, my lord.
153A.
Yes, 153A. 171F, my lord. Lordship, can
ಕೊಡಿ.
you complaint it? Produced, my JP Nadda versus State of.
ಕೊಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
Yes, I'll submit. Imran Pratap Gadi, my lord, may I submit?
ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೊಡಿ? ಅದಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಬರ್ದಿರೋದು ಕೊಡಿ.
Yes, I'll submit now, my
24th. Yes.
My lord, serial number 29, my lord, it is connected with serial number 78, my lordship.
Respondent will not receive the petition copy, my lord, may kindly
I'll-
have it
I'll
Tuesday, my
submit.
lord.
Petitioner to serve set of papers upon the council representing the respondent. 24th. Yes.
Please, my lord.
Anupanna Bodolai may be referred.
This may be connected with.
ಇಬ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡಿ, ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ. Yes.
Name of Anupanna Bodolai for ED, my lord.
A registry to print the name of so and so. Anuparna?
Bodolai, my lord.
Oh, so and so. Yes.
My lord, in other matters, Unni Krishnan is appearing, madam.
Yes, next. 78 ಗೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು?
Same connected.
ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ನು 30 ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Yes.
For discharge of surety, your lord.
My lord, the notice has to be served for respondent number 2. Who's the
Respondent
official-
ಯಾರು?
Official liquidator, my lord.
Emergent notice to FPF ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ನೇಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಶೋನ್. KS ಮಾದೇವನ್ ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ. Yes.
Discharge of surety.
24th. Yes. Next.
Admission. 31.
SPP. ಏನ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇದು? ಏನ್ ಲೆಟರ್? Extension of time.
No, my lord, this matter was before some other court, my lord. They sought a report from the trial court with respect to the status of the trial proceedings with respect to the accused number 1, my lord. This is with respect to accused number 2, my lord, with the state as well.
ಯಾಕೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ?
My lord, with respect to the accused number 1, I am not aware, my lord. I'll take instructions, my
The
lord.
learned counsel Tejesh, learned HCGP.
Please, my lord.
Tejesh is directed to secure instructions with regard to the stage of the proceedings qua accused number 1, the respondent hearing till by the next date of hearing, 31st.
Please.
Please, I appear for the petitioner. Lords, in this case, my lords, as soon as the complaint is filed, they have recorded sole statements, my lords, despite knowing that the case belongs to an allegation or on a MLA, my lords, instead of transferring, my lords, cognizance, referred to cognizance. After that, cognizance is taken, my lords, by the special
As on
court.
the date of taking of cognizance, were you an MLA?
Yes, my lords.
Cognizance ತಗೊಂಡ್ರದ್ದು ಅವರೇ ಅಲ್ಲ?
2-9 ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. Last time same submission I made, 2-9 court, special court ಅವ್ರು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Special court ತಗೊಂಡ್ರತ್ತ?
Last time it same submission.
Anything else, sir?
Other than that, my lords, kindly lordship may peruse the complaint, my lords. The complaint itself, my lords, where in the first sentence itself state that allegations are against an MLA. And
ಈಗ ಯಾರು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ cognizance?
cognizance is taken by the special court, my lords, but the evidence have been recorded by the magistrate, my lords, which is not permissible. Instead of referring to the special court, my lords, he records the evidences, and after that, after 3 months, it is referred, my lords, to the special court. And even the allegations.
Magistrate proceedings ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
PCR proceeding. This is a
ಅಲ್ಲ, PCR was not filed before the special court?
No. It was present in the Ranaville second additional senior division because of COVID situation, and same was noted. This is MLA case. They have transferred it to immediately to the special court, and special court was pleased to take the consequence.
On the same material already taken?
Same material which has been presented. Because the material evidence was given and videography and everything, because they mobbed together with the house of the.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ merits ಮೇಲೆ ಆಯ್ತು. Whether on the same material it could have taken cognizance.
Awesome.
No, what is recorded by the magistrate is not a court of jurisdiction.
That they have not produced the material.
Where is that?
But as per records, it's a court has considered.
Where is the proceeding before the magistrate?
Page number.
Lords, from page number 47 also, my lords, it is recorded before the Ranaville court, my lords.
Page number
All
38
evidences.
to 42, 46. That transfer order has been passed with regard to this.
Where is the proceeding of the magistrates?
Lords, from
Page
47.
number 32, sir. Page number 32, sir.
32?
The order sheet which pursues the content of the complaint, it constitutes the consequently offences. Advocate for the complaint filed a memo, registered to record the sworn statement and the complaint and witnesses. Now, in view of the COVID pandemic, the SOP of the Honorable High Court, evidence cannot be recorded, hence the call upon.
Evidence record ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, sworn statement was material was taken, then later on it was transferred to.
Anything else, sir?
My lords, it's recorded, my lords, at page number 56.
No,
of the sworn statement.
anything else?
My lords, other than that, my lords.
Offense is 307, sir.
307 allegation, kindly, my lords, nothing is coming
No.
for 307. My lords, lordship.
What is the stage of the proceeding now?
The summons was issued after consequence you were taken.
Will stay ಇದೆಯಾ?
Our summons was issued, they are before this court.
Will stay ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ?
Stay ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ.
Stay ಇದೆ.
Dismiss ಆಗಿ default ಇದಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತೆ restore ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು.
My lords, lordship may peruse the complaint, my lords, in
Yes,
first
stay was
para
given.
itself, my lords. A entire mob has attacked, my lords. That is the allegation, which is highly unbelievable, my lords, that too in the dark. And more than 100 people have come and they have threatened, stating party's name and etc. My lords, the complainant, my lords, has.
Interim order ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ sir?
My lords, it was granted, my lords, in 23, my lords.
There is no interim order at all in the case.
My lords, the complainant himself has a history of filing such frivolous complaints, my lords,
Interim order ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ.
against a particular party, my lords.
There is no interim order in the case at hand granted at any point in time. In the year 2022, the coordinate bench had kept the consideration of interim order open. It is still open. There is no warrant of grant of an interim order at this stage. Further proceedings are directed to be continued. Yes.
But my lords, let the source statement be recorded by the special court itself, my lords.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಸರ್. ಎಸ್.
My lords, it is recorded by the magistrate court, my lords, which do not have the jurisdiction.
ಏನ್ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. It is transferred later. Yes.
Please.
33.
For the petitioners, please.
But I was required to take instructions as to whether, my lord, the entire amount is paid. The liability of the company, my lord, is cleared. But they have given executed, my lord, personal guarantees. That has not been cleared. In fact, insolvency proceedings have been initiated against them.
ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ?
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಯಾಕೆ?
ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಯಾತಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, my lord, on the strength of their
ಈಗ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಮತ್ತೆ
liability full clear ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. I'll just place these documents on record.
ಕೊಡಿ ಅವ್ರು.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿ ಕಾಪಿ ಈಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ. I'll just place this.
ಇಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡೋರ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸರ್?
ಇಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡೋರ್
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ there is no allegation to the effect that I have either misappropriated or committed 420. I had taken loan. The bank. The factory had taken loan, and their allegation is to the effect that I tendered my resignation when the loan was subsisting. That is the only complaint against me. And I'll read the complaint also. Subsequently thereto, in the agreement itself, there is a ground to the effect that I can't tender my resignation. And the company law also says that even after tendering my resignation, I would be liable. Liability continues. Where is the question of 420, please, my lords?
That's why interim order is there. Finally, list the matter on 24th. Look into these documents. Heard the learned senior counsel Ravi B. Naik, interim order subsisting will continue to the next date of hearing. 24th. Yes.
Great.
That day will dispose it, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
34.
But I beg to appeal for the petitioners in this case, please, notes. As the electoral offence, please, notes under 188, please, notes of IPC, and also under 131B of the RP Act, please, notes. The only allegation notes at page number, your lordship, kindly at page 7, notes last 4 sentences from the notes of the FIR copy, please, notes. Last 4 lines from the complaint, please, notes. This is only the allegation. They have just entered the notes the polling booth, and notes the MLA was on the phone call, please, notes. This is only the allegation, please, notes. There is no any disobedience or notes.
Notice again. First time.
Notice again. Still FIR stage, my lordship. Charge sheet has been not been.
In the meantime, next.
Great. I love it.
35.
There are lane the offense. Yes, 35.
It was heard for some time, my lord. We have produced the judgments also, my lord.
For what?
Lord, this 153A, my lord, and 505. My lord, during elections, my lord, attacked the manifesto by WhatsApp and my lord, Facebook, and then posters.
24th. Interim order continues. Heard the learned senior counsel. Next.
Lord, in this matter, my lord, the allegation is that, my lord, the petitioner in a speech has made certain statement which is not, my lord, cannot be attracted, my lord, either 351 or 353, my lord.
Respondent state.
Complainant, they are not appearing. Last time also, my lord, they did not appear. There is an order.
Heard the learned senior counsel Arun Sham appearing for the petition. There is no representation on behalf of the complainant. As a last chance, lest this matter on 31st, in the event the complainant would not be present, orders would be passed on hearing the learned senior counsel for the petitioner subject to therefore subject matter.
Last time, last chance.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. Yes. ಈ time last.
37.
In this matter, my lord, the protest petition was filed. My lord, based on that, cognizance has been taken.
Respondent complainant error.
For R2.
Same order. Heard so 31st.
Yes, please.
38.
My lords.
matter where the offences under 341 of IPC has been invoked. There is an interim order.
31st IO complainant here served.
Please, my lords.
The complainant is served and remains unrepresented as a last chance. Lest this matter on 31st, in the event the complainant would not be present or represented, the matter would be heard. The senior counsel for the petition would be heard and appropriate orders would be passed. Yes.
39 as well.
The same.
Please.
Yes, same.
Interim order to be extended.
Continues. Yes. 31st, yes.
41, my lords, I appear for the petitioner. My lords, offences alleged are, my lords, section 153A. Lords, 153A, 505, 171G.
Interim order ideyala?
Ide, my lords, interim order is there. Covered by a lordship's decision.
Kari, judgment kodi.
Please, my lords, my colleague is. Patricia, my lords, relying on Patricia's decision, the lordships were pleased to, my lords, allow an identical matter, my lords, at page number 12. Here also the allegation is that, my lords, the statements are made promoting enmity, my lords, between two classes. But subsequent, based on such statement, my lords, no overtax, my lords, or no.
Jevai, flag hakidene, covered, disposed.
Please, highly obliged. Great.
Next.
42.
Section 9B, 1B and 286 of Indian. Penal
Explosives
Code.
Act.
Yes, please. Allegation against the petitioner. My lords, petitioner is arraigned as accused number 4, please, my lords. The allegation of the prosecution. The allegation is of the prosecution
Yes,
is
SP Pure.
He did not have a license to store, and then he was the person, my lord, conducting.
Yura.
that is as against accused number 5, please, my lords. Accused 1 to 4 are owners of the property, respective properties, please, my lords.
31st IO. Next.
Please.
43.
Accused number 3 and 4, my lords. Allegation under the MMDR Act. My lords, the only allegation against the petitioners are that, my lords, accused number 1 and 2 have used the plot of, my lords, the petitioner on New Mangalore Port.
In this case, my
Motond IO. Yes. Next.
This matter, the allegation is, my lord, that I have first used my transport agency to sell these goods to the my lord respondents.
Is ready now?
Ready.
Yes. Lordships will see, my lord. The only allegation against me, lordships will see page 45, how, my lord, the charge sheet progresses. I am, my lord, the transporter who, my lord, is manager. In fact, our nirvahakaru, that is, my lord, the allegation.
File your synopsis or written submissions.
Yes, my lord. Nirvahakaru is.
Whatever it is. Written submissions, list of authorities.
I have.
If you want disposal,
I
do
brought the
it.
judgment.
Kodi, judgments alla. Written submission, synopsis or list of authorities.
Yes. One
Or
compilation.
alla, and.
Yes, 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 yes.
31st.
Even prior to that, not any.
24th.
Yes.
45.
45 also same, my lord.
Same, huh?
All connected matter is.
ಅದು MMDR, ಇದು IPC ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ.
Yes.
ಬೇರೆನೇ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ because there are too many matters.
Yes.
No time to go through everything. So file your written submissions, pass out. Yes.
Great.
Interim orders will continue.
46.
ಇದೇನು?
Soumya Reddy.
Oh, this.
Please, my
Yes.
lord.
Sir.
So repeated, heavily depending on the, one of the previous orders passed by your lordships. That is to the peculiar facts, my lord. The allegations vis-a-vis, my lord.
Petitioners ಅವ್ರು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
I have to file objection statements in 3 petitions.
I am
my
not
lord.
granting any time in this. You have come now. I think 10 times time is taken.
I know that, my lord, our pleadings are complete except in 3 cases.
ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಹೇಳಿ? Serial numbers?
Tell it.
Filing objections in 45.6.
46 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ?
7207 they have filed objections.
207 serial numbers ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್.
Sorry.
Other than ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
46.2 they have filed counter.
46.2 counter
ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು?
ನಿಮ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ.
46.3 they have complaint.
46.5 we are filing.
46.5.
ಏನು ಒಂದೊಂದಾಗಿ ಪೇಪರ್ ತೆಗೆದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಬರಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ವಾ? ಹಾ, ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ?
ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ನಾವು. ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರ ಮೇಲೂ ಏನೇನ್ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ವಿಟ್ನೆಸಸ್ ಏನೇನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಮ್ಮ.
ಸೊ ಒಂದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿರೋ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಲೀಗಲಿ ಒಂದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು ಸಾಕಲ್ವಾ?
ಸಾಕು. The witnesses talk to each and every, the role of each and every accused and what they uttered. And my lord, some statements, some utterances by some of the petitioners are, my lord, literally, my lord, virtually, my lord, evoking communal disharmony. I don't want to, my lord, read those statements in the open court.
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಆ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ. ಏನು ಅಂತದ್ದೇನಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ. ನಾನೇ ಒಂದು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ.
ಮತ್ತು ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ?
ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ,
ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ
ಏನಿದೆ? Just, my lord, your lordship may kindly imagine all
ಎಲ್ಲ
of them gang up.
ಕಿಂಗ್ ಸೈಜ್ಡ್ ಈಗೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ.
I'll convince your lordships, my lord.
On the ego?
Not on ego, my lord.
Yes.
Certainly not, my lord. I would certainly support somebody, my lord, contesting a case on ego factors.
You'll support, huh?
I will not, my lord.
Not
I said I will not. I will not, my lord. I will not. Having read, my lord, your lordship's earlier order, there only one legal position.
That's become final?
Yes.
ಅಲ್ಲ 24ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಪ್ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ ನೀವು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಒಂದೊಂದು ಏನಿದೆ ಒಂದು ಹಾಕಿ. ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಥಾರಿಟೀಸ್.
There are 2 grounds which we are raised. Cognizance order is 1-line order, so that is part of.
ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು.
That your lordships have, my lord, sufficiently held.
And
complaint need not to be, my lord, an epigraphy.
No, but not even a semblance of reason. 1 line. Secondly, my lords, we are relying upon your lordship's order in the so far as A1 is concerned.
Where is the order of cognizance?
My lords, in my matter.
Venkatesh Dala's file kodi.
Page 11. In page 11.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದು. I know, it's there, kodappa.
In page 11 is the order.
11.
Cognizance taken for the offense under 500 of rupees. This is the only order.
That there is a detailed order.
That is for.
Where is the detailed order?
So far as cognizance is concerned, this is.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
204, my lords, reasons are recorded. So far as cognizance.
That is issuance of summons.
Summons, not for cognizance. This is the only order.
There are 2 separate orders. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
Allah, if that be the case, your lordships may kindly have, your lordships have decided this list on, my lord, in criminal petition number 6736 of 2023.
ಯಾವುದು ಕೊಡಿ?
May I just pass? ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. There was one view, my lord, your lordships have taken previously, not in this matter, my lord. If someone is, my lord, pleading exceptions, my lord, available under 499, that when those exceptions should be looked at by the court.
All depends upon facts.
Should it be during the course of, my lord, inquiry before the learned magistrate, or in the beginning? Under which exception, my lord, of 499 the case falls under?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದೇ ಕೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಹೌದು, ಇದೇ ಕೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಈ ಕೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, I am saying, my lord, a different case where there is a view taken that what is the correct stage at which, my lord, the exceptions of 499 is looked at. Now, my lord, all of them are banking on this order.
This is the same accused in this same crime.
Where accused?
One of the accused order.
Accused. One of the accused, my lord, in a
Accused number
mob,
49 or something.
case
50.
My lord, my lord, it's not, my lord, a generic complaint against, my lord, mob. We have been able to, my lord, delineate the utterances of each accused. So, your lordship, so kindly, my lord, hear me, my lord, if they attract, my lord, they fall into the same, my lord, parameters of the case which you already, your lordships have already decided, my lord, I have least things to say, my lord. I will not try to impress upon, my lord, if they fall under the same footing.
That I know.
Something more and the witnesses speak, my lord, something more against the other accused persons, I will try to distinguish, that's it. If anyone, my lord, shares the same role, my lord, I have absolutely no audience.
Page 87 is the allegation against the present petition.
1 nimisha. 80?
In page 87, ma'am.
That's my friend, Mr. Venkatesh, my lord, client.
1 nimisha. Para 23.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Para 23.
That's the allegation. Anything else, sir? No, as far as Venkatesh Dalwai's client is concerned, it should go straight away. Nothing doing. This is not correct.
My lord.
What is defamatory here?
See, exhibit. Shedyantra. Literally, my lord, blaming me of, my lord, evoking communal disorder.
Election time, either.
No, she was invited for
No,
Karnataka.
not election time, my lord. It were to be election time, my lord.
Sir,
I would digest it.
1 second, sir.
During
You can
the
digest this also.
During
No,
the
digest
my lord,
Digestive system is very good in election time.
during the elections, my lord, of course, the politicians should have, my lord, a strong gut.
Oh.
But, my lord, when she is
Guts,
gut,
Gutsala.
my lord, gut to digest a strong gut.
Right.
My lord, she was invited, my lord, to be a guest on a function. There, all these, my lord, people mob up.
No. ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್.
ಶ್ಯಾಮ್ ಸುಂದರ್ ಸರ್, ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್.
May I just say all these things on 24th, my lord, your
No,
give
this matter I am not going. Nothing is there. ಬೇರೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು. It is identical to what I have already decided.
Your lordship sees, my lord, document 46, my lord, page, my lord, exhibits. May I just pass on?
Page 87 is the extraction in the complaint.
Venkatesh.
What the complaint? You are accused number 53. Yes, sir. ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
143, your lordship sees, my lord, in this.
ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ?
The compilation which I just passed on.
ಅದೇ ಇರೋದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, my lord, your lordship sees, my lord, the in between paragraph. But is it not accusing me of, my lord?
Anything else, sir? ಬೇರೆದ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. This is allowed quashed. Heard the learned senior counsel Venkatesh Dalwai, learned senior counsel M.S. Shyam Sundar, ಎಲ್ಲ vehemently opposed. That we will answer.
Particularly drawing attention to, my lord, the document number.
Yes.
Document
ಬೇರೆದು
number
24 ನೋಡೋಣ. ಅದೇ ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ ಹಂಗೆ ಇರೋದಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
More or less, my lord.
ಮೈಕ್.
CK Ram, accused number 1. Then
Accused number 1 ನಾ?
Please, my lord. Entire complaint ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ದೇರ್ ಎನ್ಸ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್, my lord. They insulted the ಕನ್ನಡ ಲಿಟರೇಚರ್ ಅಂತ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ.
The witnesses, my lord, have said something much about.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು ಸರ್? ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಅಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡೆಡ್.
That is, my lord, that is, my lord, the documentary evidence. In the own statement, the witnesses have dilated against that.
Just because I was a defeated candidate. Now I am a sitting MLA. ಅದು ಒಂದೇ ಉದ್ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಈ
nothing like that, my lord, sitting MLA. I have not discriminated, my lord. If I were to be, my lord, holding something against my learned friend Anita's client, my lord, only you would have been the lone accused in the case. I don't discriminate.
Just because of that I am
no
accused
discrimination
number 1.
in drawing accused. ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ತಕ್ಕರ್ಬಿಡಿದೀರಾ.
My lord,
ತೊಂದ್ರೆನೇ
ಧಿಕ್ಕಾರ
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅಂತ ಕೂಗಿರೋದ್ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ there is no such
I was
defamatory
hurt not
statement,
just
my
by
lord.
Mr. Ramamurthy, I was hurt by many.
ಆಯ್ತು 24th ನೋಡು ಒಂದ್ ಇದಾಕಿ ನಿಮ್ದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಇದು ಹಾಕಿ
There is nothing, my lord.
ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ?
I think, my lord,
Nothing, my lord.
ಕೇಸಲ್ಲೋ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೋ?
Complaint ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ.
No, I will show against my learned friend, my lord. I think my learned friend Anita and my learned friend Mr. Sudarshan are trying to, my lord, tailgate Mr. Dalwai's case.
My lord,
Let
in
them
my
not take
petition-
No, that I saw ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರೋದು
My lord, in my petition, there is only in the page number 94, Congress Hindu Virodhi Soumya Reddyಗೆ ಧಿಕ್ಕಾರ. This was my statement, my lord.
Is it not?
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ರಾಧಾಕೃಷ್ಣ ಹೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್.
My lord, just the slogan of ಧಿಕ್ಕಾರ is there, nothing else, my lord, no personal.
Stop becoming too touchy, sir.
Except 9 and 14, no
Martin,
allegation.
actually,
my lord.
Not defamatory. Yes.
Your lordship may kindly have it on
24th, yes.
As against 46.3.
ಏನು?
My lord, in fact.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಶ್ಯಾಮ್ ಸುಂದರ್ ಸರ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ 24ಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ.
My lord, in fact, ಅವ್ರು ಹೋಗಿರೋ program ಅಲ್ಲೇ there is a error, my lord.
This is
The
nothing but,
program itself says
what
that
difference does it
it's a
make?
Kannada
A
Rajyotsava.
practicing advocate should not, my lord. No. A practicing
my lord.
advocate has no right to foul mouth. Sorry. The advocate badge should not be used at least for this.
ನಿಮ್ಗೇನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅವರು?
My learned friend is saying he's a practicing advocate. Why?
Who is practicing advocate?
A7, my lord, A7.
So what? ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಈಗ?
Saying he's drawing, my lord, separate, my lord, considerate.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದಾ?
What difference does
No,
it make?
well, that's a different thing. Then why are you pouncing?
I'm not pouncing.
Then what, sir?
He simply
Hello,
saying
what she's saying something. Let her say.
that the practicing advocate should argue in the courtroom, my lord, not in a mob.
Not me.
What in a mob? What she's saying? ಅಲ್ಲಿ function ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ ತಪ್ಪು ಅಂತ. What is there? It's an argument. It's an argument. What's wrong?
My lord, moreover, Kannada Rajyotsava function ನಲ್ಲಿ the slogan itself, my lord, Barisu Kannada Dindimava, O Karnataka Hridaya Shiva is the original slogan, my lord. But sitting MLA attended and encouraged that Barisu Kannada Dindimava, O Karnataka Hridaya Yesu program, my lord. That's why we said only ಧಿಕ್ಕಾರ, nothing else, my lord.
ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರ ಅವರು?
Flex was there. Flex was there. We removed the flex. Accused number 9 just demanded for the removal of those flex. Apart from 9 and 12, in my petition, no other allegation is found, my lord. In their complaint itself, no specific allegation on accused number 1, my lord. Just a political rivalry. Clearly, it's a political rivalry, my lord. Now he won the election.
All these
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ you are stopping her, is it?
No, my lord, all these moral policing, my lord.
Moral policing ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಅವರು.
Moreover, my lord, ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡವ್ರ ಮೇಲೂ ಡೆಫಮೇಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಫಿಕಿಗೆ ಕೆಲವರು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕಂಪನಿಂಗ್ ಮೀ ದೇ ವರ್ ಇನ್ ದ
ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಡೆಫಮೇಷನ್.
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ my lord, ಮಾತೇ ಆಡಿಲ್ಲ. They never even addressed anything over the social media or to the press, my lord.
The allegations as against my client is I'm just holding a complainant's picture with a cross attached to it. That is not that. It just says Hindu Virodhi.
ಧಿಕ್ಕಾರ. ರಾಮಲಿಂಗ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಮಗಳು ಸೌಮ್ಯ ರೆಡ್ಡಿಗೆ ಧಿಕ್ಕಾರ. This was the statements, my lord. That's it. Nothing else, my lord.
I'm hearing. I'm just.
This becomes defamation. There is one person against whom
I know.
who does not have any control. Does not have any control.
I appreciate this eloquence of my learned friend.
All right. Yes, 24th. ಅಷ್ಟೇ 24th last. ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. 24th will finish it. Correct. You can do it now also. I'm not saying, because you are asking time. 20 heard so and so ಎಲ್ಲಾರ್ದು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪೆಟಿಷನ್ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ನೀವ್ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ 41 46 ಯಾರ್ದು 46 ರವಿಶಂಕರ್ ಹತ್ತಿದೆ. heard the learned registry to conflict ಏನಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. registry to delete the name of Ravi Shankar K and print the name of Anita S.M. Patil appearing for, along with, print the name of Anita S.M. Patil is appearing for the petitioner along with Ravi Shankar K. Heard, our Anita S.M. Patil appearing for the petitioner. Nishit, appearing for the petitioner, accused number 1 na? ನೀವು accused number 1 na? A1, Nishit Kumar Shetty, A? ಇವ್ರದ್ದಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸುದರ್ಶನ್ A7. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ 4 ವಸಂತ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಯಾರು ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಡಿ. ಎಸ್ ನವೀನ್ ಜೈನ್ ಇಲ್ವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನವೀನ್ ಯಾರಿಗೆ?
16 and 52
16 and 52. ನಾರಾಯಣ್ ಬಾಬು 46 ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ? Registry to print the name of S. Sudarshan along with Narayan Babu DN. Yes. 46.7. Elangon. And the learned senior counsel, Shemesh Shamsundar representing the respondent complainant along with Sumati. List the matter on 24th in the fresh matters list as a last chance. As the issue stands, the learned counsel for the petitioner should submit that the issue stands completely answered by what this court has already rendered concerning a co-accused. Yes. Interim order subsisting would continue till the next date of hearing. Yes.
Grateful.
47.
May I request my lords to take up this matter in the next week.
47,
my lords.
One moment, sir. Withdraw ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ next week ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Next week.
Abhinay has some inconvenience.
ಇವರೇ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. The petition, this court on 25/6/2026 had passed the following order. Today, the learned counsel of the petitioner is himself seeking time. There is no representation way of the respondent number 2, who was not present even on 25/6/2026. List on 24th as a last chance.
Subsisting interim order.
Interim order would continue to the next date of hearing. Next.
48.
Please, my lords. Colleague is appearing online.
Serial number 48, my lords, I appear, my lord, I've been permitted to appear through VC. So far as, my lords, the connected matter is defamation, my lords. So far as the connected matter is concerned, because I presume, my lords, my learned friend had said he had no objection to allow the petition because they had, my lords, they had explored the aspect of mediation, but somehow, my lords, the matter is not settled.
My submission, my lords, was mediation cannot be explored at all insofar as it concerns the petitioner in serial number 48.
Very well.
48.1 didn't make any submission.
31st kelu.
24th.
24th.
Yes. 31st, my lords, may take 24th. It's some inconvenience. 31st.
They had the benefit of an interim order for a long time.
Yes. 31st. Yes. Next.
Interim order. The interim order. Grateful.
Happy for the petitioner, my lords. Senior counsel is appearing before Supreme Court. That's my habit on 31st.
31st.
Interim order, my lords.
Continues.
50.
Sharath.
Lord, this is the allegation where, my lord, the petitioner who was canvassing the house to house, canvassing without obtaining permission.
Punishable under section 188 of the IPC, my lords, covered.
What happens, my lord, under section 20A of the Representation of People Act? Lord, the district election officer or authorized, my lord, he under exercising power under section 20A, my lord, appointed the second respondent. He was a flying squad officer. My lord, therefore, it is not that, my lord, he has no power to initiate the action.
We'll hear it.
It's covered, my lords, by the judgment in
covered.
Umesh Shetty judgmentally.
The
same thing, and the flying squad member, my lords, is the complainant here also. My lords, our contention.
Judgment kodi, sir.
Yes, we'll place it.
24th. Yes. Should get it, right? Yes. Next.
Interim order.
Interim order will continue. Want disposal? Judgment kodi. ಇಲ್ಲ ಸಿನಾಪ್ಸಿಸ್
ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಹಾಕಿ,
kindly
ರಿಟನ್
pass over
ಸಬ್ಮಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ. ಎಸ್.
ಪಾಸ್ ಓವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ.
ಇನ್ನು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಇದೆ ನಂಗೆ. ಎಸ್.
51.
Correspondent to 2 millards.
ಯಾವ್ದಪ್ಪ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಳೇದು.
Not in case.
ಹಳೇದ ಹೊಸದು?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಳೇದು.
ಹಳೇದು.
Lord, 70.
Derogatory remarks against the Prophet Muhammad Millard, stating that he was born in Baltakres house. I should kindly come to page number 11, the complaint, Millard.
Uh, 196 and 299, 353, one of BNS. Placing reliance on Javed Hajam and Javed Hajam. Lords, I'm placing reliance on state of Maharashtra.
ಜಾವೇದ್ ಹಜಾಮ್ ನೋಡಿಲ್ವಾ? ವಾಟ್ ಸರ್?
ಸರ್
ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಬಿಡಿ, ಬೇಡ.
Let it be posted on
31st.
24th, Millard. I'll go.
24th, yes. List on 24th. It's covered by that. Entry mod continues. Covered ಆದ್ರೆ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ.
Next matter also the same.
Same,
thing.
same.
Today you are filing objections, Millard.
Objections ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾ?
Second 52.
ಅಲ್ಲ, objections serve ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
52.
I'm appearing for the petitioner.
Entry mod ಇದೆಯಾ?
Entry mod ಇದೆ my lord, but this is not
Objections
similar.
ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾ?
ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
24th.
ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ.
ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಾ? 24th.
Publish.
53.
The petitioners, Millard. Senior advocate is engaged, Millard, today. Some inconvenience.
ಏನಿದು?
24th. Defamation, Millard.
Defamation.
Defamation case filed.
ಹಾ.
Request on 24th, Millard.
24th. Entry mod ಇದೆಯಾ?
Entry mod.
ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ ಚೀಫ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ದಾ?
Please, Millard. Against accused, 4 coordinate benches already quashed.
ಆಯ್ತು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ವಾಶ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಈಗ?
ಅದು ಬೇರೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೇರೆ. ಟ್ವಿಟರ್ ಅಂತ.
ಆಯ್ತು. 24th.
54.
The leader of opposition, my lord, made on press conference and made statement in respect of a policy decision taken by the government. Absolutely, there is no ingredients, my lord. Even last occasion, my lord, the complainant served unrepresented. Absolutely, there is no ingredients.
ಯಾರು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್?
Some Siddhan.
Not age.
Kindly see, my lord, page 15. Nothing is
Heard the
there.
Learned Senior Counsel Arun Sham appearing for the petitioner. There is no representation behalf of the second respondent complainant. List the matter on 24th as a last chance. Yes.
Entry mod.
Entry mod continues. Next.
55.
ಇದು defamation, ah?
Defamation, my lords. There are no
31st.
allegations.
31st,
In page
yes.
42 may kindly be seen.
Next week defamation quota ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 31st ಕೊಡೋಣ.
My lords,
Entry mod ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, entry mod
Yeah,
ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಹಂಗಾರೆ
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಕೊಡಿ.
There is no entry mod.
Ink page 42. All the allegations are there in ink page 42 of the petition, my lords.
42.
The last statement, I filed my detailed statement of objections.
All just says that 2 officers who are currently who are allegedly transferred from Muda are still operating from the chambers of the complainant.
It would go beyond that, my lords.
That is all, my lords.
The issue of the Muda was happening, my lords, and then this person, my lords, under that guise, would make direct attacks as against the present respondent. He would say certain tainted officers, my lords, would use his antechambers in Vidhan Saudha to carry out the irregularities that's occurring in the Muda even after their suspension. Second, my lords, he would allege that for ACP and DCP transfer, we have fixed a rate of 1 crore and 2 crores.
ಅದು ತಪ್ಪು.
And secondly, my lord,
That is not.
thirdly,
My lords,
he would
that
say
is
for
the case.
change
Are the
of land
tainted
use,
officers
change
and the
of land
defamation
use
bill
ಗೆ 5
institute
lakhs fix ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. I have appointed a special officer to take care of all these activities.
a motion for
Everything in one
defamation has
breath.
been moved by these alleged
under
tainted
the guise-
officers, and that
ನೀವ್
might
ಯಾರು?
consider. I am the MLC, my lords.
The former MLC.
Former
my lords,
MLC.
whose tenure just expired.
As on the time of the filing the petition, I was a sitting MLC, my lords.
Now we are not sitting.
No, no.
Was there a serious allegation under the guise of the Muda irregularity?
No, if that is the thing, then
No, I had a motion for defamation be moved against those tainted officers. That is altogether different. Just because I just say that these officers are operating from the chambers of that of the
Is one
complainant,
aspect.
no, of the complainant, how that is well which covered with the.
I'll see. Yes.
Till then, there be an entry model, my lords.
Not in this case. Yes. List on 31st. ಇದರ ಅವತ್ತೇ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ.
So grateful.
Yes.
For the petition, my lord, senior has some personal inconvenience, my lord. My lord, so I have it on 31st.
31st, yes. Entry ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿ.
57.
It's covered by lordship judgment. It's 188 IPC.
ಕೊಡಿ. HCGP ತೇಜೇಶ
Copy not served on us, my lord. I've not seen the papers.
ಸರಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು.
ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಕೊಟ್ಟು 3 ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಓಪನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು.
ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
Allegation.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಸರ್ತಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು? 188 ಉಮೇಶ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಕವರ್ಡ್.
The only allegation is that complaint is that the model code of conduct is violated. Nothing further. Lordships have held. ಆಯ್ತು. Mere violation is not an offense. Subsequently, they have to plead something more. Private complaint ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
SPP ಅವ್ರು ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮುಗಿಸೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲಾರ 24. 24th, yes. Interim order continues till the next date. Yes.
Copy ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. Signature ಕೊಡ್ರಿ.
58.
Purchaser of the property. Allegation is that, my lords, the vendor of the petitioner, based on a fabricated GPA executed by.
Interim order ಇದೆಯಾ?
Interim order.
31st.
Heard by judgment.
31st IO, yes.
59.
I appear for the petitioner. The allegation, my lords, against the petitioners is that I have entered into a sale agreement.
31st IO, heard Nishant Devi appearing for the petition. Yes, next.
Interim order, my kind.
Okay. Madam, 31st IO ಅಂದ್ರೆ interim order extended ಅಂತ. Yes.
60.
60, my lord.
Interim order ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes.
Same 31st IO. Same.
62.
Interim order ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ? We'll hear it on 31st.
There, but then, my lord, on the pretext of connecting cases of other accused, they are taking dates, my lord, 1 month, 2 month dates are going.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ?
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೆರಡು ಕೇಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ, ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
You are appearing?
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೇಟ್ ತಗೊಬಿಡು.
61.
61 and 61.11.
ಆಯ್ತು.
The other accused, my lord, they are before court.
No,
There is no
other
stay order
accused,
in other
I
accused.
will observe it restricted only to the accused,
It was.
absolutely.
And my lords, may I just narrate the incident itself, my lords. Quite an interesting incident. My lords, the victim, she sets a law in motion by saying, during the COVID time, she was into distribution of masks. She gets in touch with the MLA there. And the MLA, who's accused number 1, would sexually exploit her for 2 years. Thereafter, she sets a law in motion. Now, on this basis, 7 persons are shown as accused in the FIR. All right, if investigation takes place against the 7 persons and a charge sheet is filed, is fine, my lords. Now, what the investigating officer would do is, during the course of investigation, a distinct cause of action, my lords, he comes to know. What is this distinct cause of action is, the present petitioner, my lords, who is a station house officer, he says his present station house officer had met A1 outside A1's house, and the two of them spoke, and they decided that they will find an HIV patient. They will take blood from the HIV patient and they will smear it into their hands, and they will go and shake hand into the leader of opposition. He may get the disease. Now this
hand to handle ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಅದು?
Now, on this basis, my lords, now when the charge sheet is filed, from 7 accused who are shown in the FIR, they bring it down to 4 accused, of which 4th accused is me, pertaining to a distinct cause of action which has no FIR.
ಅಲ್ಲ, who collected HIV blood sample?
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೀಗ್ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ distinct cause of action, no FIR registered, my lords, on this distinct cause of action. They club it along with the main case of sexual abuse and make me an accused in the charge sheet.
So, ಇದು preparation for collection of
Preparation
sample.
for 119 and 120 of the IPC, which never took place, for which you don't even have a FIR.
1.1,
ಆಯ್ತು.
not 61.
ಆಯ್ತು.
61.1. Well, here the matter is, he is
ಅಲ್ಲ.
a police officer.
How do you get such ideas?
No, my lord.
ಅಲ್ಲ, to register crimes like this, a good idea.
No, my lord, I will
It
come-
can
I'll
become,
come-
it can become a good pot boiler.
True, my lord, I don't disagree with that, but then, my lord, I'll explain it to my lords. But what happens here is, during the course of investigation, it is found by the IO that he is in constant touch and nexus with the accused number 1. And my lord, he is also facilitating. And moreover, the one of the witnesses, Lord Velu Naikar, he my lord was present in the premises where all of them sat and their minds met.
All of them
All the accused persons
sat.
and then they discussed about. He is basically not under 120 for conspiracy. And one of the aspects that has been mentioned here is regarding that whether we could do something like transferring a HIV virus to the other person, and many other things have been discussed. But here, the phone calls which have been tracked, the nexus between the accused number 1 and the petitioner, my lord, who my learned friend is arguing about, this, my lord, has been established in the charge sheet.
Without an FIR.
Without an FIR. FIR ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಸರಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ.
FIR ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಈ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ.
ಹೆಸರಿಲ್ಲ. Subsequently, during the course of investigation.
ಈ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಗೆ
FIR ಇಲ್ಲ, FIR ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಆ allegation ಗೆ FIR ಇಲ್ಲ.
FIR ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಏನ್ ಹಾಕುದು?
But in the charge sheet, it was because it was found during investigation. It was found during investigation and so much of material has been collected.
ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ?
Sample collected ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಯಾಕೆ?
I mean, it was only a planning conspiracy.
ಸೊ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ.
And to the proposed victim is not a charge sheet
evidence
witness.
collected to the effect. Evidence collected to the effect.
My lord, on this allegation, I get arrested. Now charge sheet filed, all my promotional, all prospects gone. I'm still an inspector, my lords, on this allegation.
ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ?
That is DYSP, my lord. Promotion, it have become a DYSP, which didn't happen because of this case. And in case, I don't understand how they came up with this, my lords. Sometime in the last week of June 2021, outside the house of A1, this petitioner met him. They devised.
So as you said, it is an interesting case.
Very interesting.
Very interesting.
How they did. And what is the main case? Victim says she was sexually assaulted for about 2 years, abused for 2 years by A1. What has that got to do with this? I really don't know.
ಇವ್ರೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ? A3 ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ
A3 facilitated.
ಏನು abuse for 2 years?
Yes, my lord, he has been taking videographs and circulating it, fixing cameras everywhere. My lord, may kindly come.
A3 na?
My lord, may kindly come to page number 114.
ಅಲ್ಲ A4?
A4 ಇಲ್ಲ. He is only subsequently, my lord, to that effect, my lord. As far as
A4 ಗೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗಾರೆ?
I'm shown as A8, my lords, though there are 4 accused because they maintained the rank of the FIR. So A8 I'm shown as, though it should be only 4 accused in the charge sheet. But still I had to come to A4.
Yes. When material was not found,
24th.
my lord,
ಬೇಡವಾ?
as far as the other accused are concerned, if we can proceed with the trial.
24th we will finish this. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡ್ ಆಗಿ. ಒಂದು ನೋಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು.
I'll give a note.
Like
Naturally, I will just point out how no FIR at all, my lords. Who 2 charge sheet witnesses who speak about it, I'll make a note of it and give it.
My lord, the one is charge sheet witnesses speak about his involvement as far as the 120B is concerned. And on investigation, it was found that there was call records, calls and nexus between A1.
We'll see.
Nothing more as far as he is concerned. But the other accused, other petitioner, my lord, he is circulating videographs, all which was taken during the act.
That we will see.
Yes,
that is a serious
serious
offense. That we will see.
Yes.
The AR client adu, AR which is number 16?
A3.
You can dealing.
Iurdu.
61.1 is there.
That is Chowta sir appear agittu.
61.1. 61 is A3, my lord.
Yes, we'll see.
My lord, so would it be de-linked in seriatim so it becomes easy for the disposal?
ಆಯ್ತು. ಡೀಲಿಂಗ್ 61 ಅಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ ಯಾವುದು ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್?
61.
Dealing 61.1 list them both on 24th, not tagging but in seriatim.
Please.
Yes. 62 ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದಿದೆ. ಡಿಸ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್.
One more petition is there.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ತೊಂದ್ರೆ. Last time I have told you discharge ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
The thing is, my lord, it is arised out of the same transaction, my lord. They all farmers were
You,
protesting.
you file
Last time-
discharge, urge
No, no, no.
everything. If they don't, then come
No,
back.
last time, my lord, your lordship directed them to, my lord, to secure instruction as to what are all the damages
ಇದು
caused
4 ವಾರದಿಂದ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ.
and the injury caused to the police officer. That's what they said, my lord.
No, sir.
But
You,
there is-
you file discharge. If you don't, if they don't discharge, then come back.
My lord, there are so many petitioners,
No,
my lord,
sir.
multiple FIRs, my lord. On these ground, my lord, it has to be.
ಅದೇ
Have
ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್
to do
ಡಿಸ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್
many
ಮಾಡಿ
things.
ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇನೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ.
Only thing is, my lord, it is arised out of the same transaction or same cause of action. And there are judgments also.
No,
my
no,
lord.
not the same transaction.
ಹೌದು, farmers protest ಮಾಡ್ತಾ
Sir,
ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
I have myself held in DGLD, KGLD that it is separate only.
And I have given table, my lord, to disclose where the incident happened, what time incident happened. It's not that one place everything has been booked. It's a different
Okay,
transaction.
file discharge, urge all the contentions, come back. I am not going to interfere. ಅವತ್ತು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇನೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು.
Should have it on 24.
No, no, sir, no adjournment. ಇದು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಯ್ತಿದ್ದು.
ಅಲ್ಲ, last time ಅವರು instruction.
No
my lord, that's what-
instruction, nothing, file discharge.
my lord, their allegation is
The
that, my lord,
petitioners. ಯಾವುದು? No, no, whatever it is, all of you go, come back. No, sir, I will not interfere. You want me to write, I will write, sir, no problem. Urgency ಯಾಕೆ?
my lord, at least
Your lordship can fix the time.
I'll fix 4 weeks' time for the discharge application to be considered. In the event they do not come back, then we will pass some order. Urge all these contentions there. The petitioners are before the court, calling in question the proceedings in CC ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಆಗಿದೆ.
In CC 50089 of 2025, the petitioners are on the score.
ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸಿಸಿಗಳಿದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
Purke
CC
FIR.
50089 of 2025 and several other criminal cases registered arising out of certain incident of writing. The learned, ನಾನು ಹೇಳ ಬರಿಲ್ಲ.
There are 2-3 petitions, my lord, your lordship may pass all this.
No, no, all petitions ಅಲ್ಲೇ. The petitioners shall now avail the remedy of filing a discharge before the concerned court, and in the event the discharge application would go against them, they are reserved liberty to approach this court all over again, calling in question the orders of discharge along with other reliefs that they have sought. The petitioners are further at liberty to urge all the contentions that are urged in these petitions in the discharge application to be preferred. So in the event the discharge application is preferred, the concerned court shall answer and conclude the said discharge application within 4 weeks from the date of it being preferred, reserving such liberty, and on the aforesaid direction, the petition stands disposed.
One request, my lord. There is an interim order of exemption from appearance. My lord, let the learned counsel.
Discharge ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. That interim order may be, that protection may be continued.
don't insist,
ತುಂಬಾ ಈ farmers ಎಲ್ಲ
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ. Farmers.
My lord, they protested for some cause, my lord, not that.
We don't insist, my lord, but one issue. To 208 compliance, they need to be personally present to collect this document. If that's not been complied, they could.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. The petitioners, there is an interim order subsisting in these cases, that interim order of the kind of exempting the petitioners from appearance before the concerned court. In the light of the subsistence of the said order, the petitioners are exempted from appearance before the concerned court, except when the concerned court could order their appearance in the proceedings.
That 208, let them comply, my lord, because
ಅಲ್ಲ,
otherwise
with specific reference to section 208 proceeding. Yes. Yes.
Sufficient, my lord. My lord, my appearance in
ಎಲ್ಲ
61, ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದಲ್ಲ. ಅದು earlier serial number
ಅಲ್ಲಿ
60.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸೋನ್ಸ್ ಒಂದಲ್ಲ, ಸಂದೇಶ್ ಚೌಟರ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರದೀಪ್ ಸರ್.
Special prosecutor. Okay.
ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಮೇಡಮ್? 61.
61 and 1. Okay.
63.
Arising under the
Enter model,
proceeding.
yeah?
How is it?
31st, yes.
64.
The amendment petition has been filed. Application has been filed.
Charge sheet.
We are filing. We have
Challenge
filed charge sheet during the pendency.
ಅದನ್ನ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಈಗ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ.
ಮಾಡಿ. Yes.
ಹಾಕಿದೀವಿ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದೀವಿ. That may be
application allowed.
188 offense malad Umesh Shetty squarely covered.
Yes. Tejesh.
Next week, my lord, I'll.
Last time also.
24th, as a last chance, in the event no submissions are made by the respondent, the petition would be, the appropriate orders would be passed. The learned senior counsel Arun Shyam submits that the issue in the list stands covered by judgment rendered by the coordinate bench in the case of Umesh Shetty.
Malad, 2 applications for amendment may be allowed. We'll file amended.
Will be considered along with the main matter. So we'll see.
Amended
Covered
petition
matter. Akpidi, yes.
IA may be allowed. In
Yeah,
both the cases.
madam, order on IA for the reasons indicated in the affidavit
Both the matters.
accompanying the application being satisfied with the same allowed. Yes. Petitioner to file amended petition. Next.
Date.
65.
But will continue.
For the petitioner's lordship. This is a
31st IO. Next.
obliged lordship.
66, same order.
My lord,
Intermodal.
my lord, I represent respondent number 2.
We'll hear it on 31st. Yes. List on 31st. Interim order continues to the next date of hearing. Next.
Would my lordship accompany on 24th, my lord?
No, sir. 31st we'll have a lot of matters on 21st. Yes.
Oh, my lord.
Interim order, yeah?
Interim order, maybe.
31st IO.
68.
Petitions.
Interim order, yeah?
First time.
First time, coding.
Sir, appear for responding to kindly passwords.
Lord, 15.
Respondent, notice agilla?
Notice agilla. Connected matter, Lord, they have sought for a direction to conclude the investigation.
ನೀವೇನ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
Yes, my lord.
ಏನ್ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ದಿ offense?
Lord, allegation, Lord, of forgery, cheating and impersonation of the alleged, my lord, the agreement of sale. 15/9/2012, my lord, is the agreement of sale.
Complaint registered?
My lord, the PCR is filed now in the year 2025.
ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಸಿಗ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ?
Civil dispute, my lord, is already concluded. Appeal, my lord, confirmed.
OS?
OS number.
OS date?
50 of 2013. Disposed on 15/9/2021. Lord, the specific performance was rejected only on the ground, my lord, that all the other members, my lord, are not signatories to the.
The petitioner stands as an accused in crime number 151 of 2025. The fulcrum of the crime is a sale deed. Sale deed, agreement,
Sale agreement.
an agreement to sell, which was entered into on 15/9/2012. The complainant institutes a civil suit in OS 50 of 2013, which comes to be rejected.
Accused, my lord, accused institutes a suit for specific.
The accused institutes suit for specific performance in OS 50 of 2013, which comes to be dismissed. Dismissed, huh?
Please.
Dismissed on 15/9/2021. Long thereafter, alleging.
Appeal is filed by me and it
Got
is
it.
declared filed.
Long thereafter, in issue that is purely civil in nature, the crime is registered 13 years after the said execution, permitting further investigation.
Please.
Permitting further investigation in the case at hand would on the face of it become an abuse of the process of the law. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings, further investigation by the petitioner till the next date of hearing. Yes, next, no date.
69.
Petitioner, my lord. This is for statutory bail.
Statutory bail?
Please, my lord. My lord.
ಇವರಿಗೆ ಇದಾಗ ಕನ್ವಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ?
Connected matter. My lord.
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ವಾ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ?
ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ subsequently. When the right had accrued, the application was filed. In fact, there are 4 cases which came to be registered against the petitioner. In the. Please, my lord.
Even as on today, right is not accrued according to me, because he has to be physically custody of this particular case to get benefit of 167. He was taken under body warrant, remanded back to the original.
But he will never come. I mean, bail ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
But if your honor may kindly appreciate this fact, that once a accused is taken under body warrant and a arrest is effected, going by the latest judgment of.
No, body warrant also amounts, see, the moment you curtail liberty of a person by body warrant, that also counts for the period. There's no doubt about it.
And my right of filing anticipatory bail is gone.
There's no doubt about it.
Please.
I'll place a judgment. Supreme Court, in fact.
I have myself, Sanjay Shota sir, they all ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನೇ.
That I'm relying on.
That boys
Please.
examination permit ಮಾಡಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 2022 I guess.
No, the 2024 Supreme Court judgment discusses the issue whether.
Even latest judgment on the body warrant also amounts to.
Please, in fact, once they are secured under body warrant and arrest is effected, the right of anticipatory bail is not there. They have to move for a regular bail. By virtue of that.
It does amount to.
Please.
Curtailment of liberty begins when body warrant is taken.
No, but that's contrary. I'll place my.
We'll see. 24th, finally.
My learned friend also, I can give my copy of citation. He can extend
Put
on
it.
31st.
Judgments, because the issue will have to answer it. Yes. List the matter on 24th.
70?
ನಾನು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಬಿಟ್ಟೆ.
31st minute.
20 ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬೇಲ್ ತಾನೆ.
It doesn't matter.
Whether he's ಕೊಟ್ರೇನೋ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ.
No, it may
31st
certainly matter to me.
31st as a last
Every
chance.
case, 24th.
July 31st as a last chance. Yes.
14th, sir.
Next.
70?
Appearing for respondent number 2, my lordship.
Enter ಮಾಡಿ-
Praying short accommodation.
Enter ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ?
Concurrent petition challenging the acceptance of the report.
No problem.
So
Yes.
arguing senior counsel is.
No problem. 31st, sir. At the request of the council appearing for the respondent list on 31st. Yes.
Grateful, lordship.
71?
When madam ಇದು?
My lords, I seek short adjournment.
Correct, but what's the matter?
My lords,
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Yes, 31st,
My lord, any other date from that?
24th. Yes.
I have one submission, madam, 69. They haven't filed the statement of objection. They don't have it.
It's a legal issue. Why do you want them to file objection?
Opportunity was given.
It's a legal issue, sir.
Please, opportunity.
Body warrant ಇಂದಾನ regular. ಅಷ್ಟೇ. It's a legal issue. You don't need objections to that. Yes.
72?
ಏನ್ ನೀವು ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಆಚೆ ಏನ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ.
Other cases, they would always file objection.
ಇಲ್ಲ.
That's a legal point.
ಇವ್ರಿಗೇನ್ ಇದ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Yes.
Please, madam. 72. Lord, the petition is convicted for the offense punishable under section 177 of IPC. The
Revision petition.
Revision petition, my lord.
We'll have it on 31st.
Please, my lord.
Yes,
Lord,
31st.
Lord, trial courts may kindly be called for.
The trial court records be secured by the, registry is directed, secure the trial court records by the next date. Next.
23?
For the petition of
ಇದ್ಯಾವ್ದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು?
153A, my lord. Discharge application was rejected, my lord. My lord, during the protest. I made a
31st, there
speech.
shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings where the
Already-
petitioner, ಇದೆಯಾ already?
Already ಇದೆ.
31st interim.
Covered
order.
by judgment, my lord.
ಮುಗ್ಸೋಣ. 31st ಮುಗ್ಸೋಣ.
Is much of.
54?
ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟು 31st.
75?
In this matter, there is a direction to secure records to show that, my lord, the 163 order has been, promulgation has been communicated to the petitioners. Lord, our submission is that that has been not communicated. In the midnight, they have said to have passed that, but that has not been communicated.
File my affidavit and with details of that.
Yes. 31st, list on 31st is the request of the SPP who seeks time to file an affidavit with regard to the communication of the order under 163. Yes, CR.
That interim order may be.
Interim order subsisting, I heard the learned senior counsel Arun Shamanth Akput. Interim order subsisting will continue to the next date of hearing.
B group 76?
Lords, this has become, my lords, infructuous.
The learned counsel of the petitioner submits, the petition is rendered infructuous by effects of time. In that light, the petition is disposed as having become infructuous.
She has been acquitted.
Oh, sorry. Infructuous in the light of the acquittal of the respondent, petitioner, acquittal of the petitioner. In that light, the petition disposed as having become infructuous.
27?
Offense under 125 of RP Act, my lord, covered by judgment in page number 35, my lord. 35. my
Yes,
lord, I
we'll
have
dispose it. Page, madam, page 35 covered. Dispose, prayer court ಮಾಡಿ covered. Yes, next.
Much of.
27?
77 ಆಗಿದೆ madam.
8 may be given.
78 ಅಲ್ಲ?
78?
Yes.
I appear in 78.1, your lordships. Predicate offenses.
Interim orders ಇದೆಯಾ? Yes, 31st ಅಲ್ಲ.
Interim order may.
Petitioner, my lords.
ಇದೇನು?
This is an electoral offense, my lords. Twice the B report was filed.
Right.
Rejecting the B report, my lords, cognizance was taken under section 171G.
31st, yes. Interim order continues. Same order. Final hearing ಎಲ್ಲ 7th August ಹಾಕಿ.
Case my lord, 81.
Up
My
to
lord, 82 I am appearing, my lord.
From 81 to, wait, 81 to 91, all on 7th August. Yes.
Conviction appeal 81. Let them file a synopsis, my lord.
ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ all these final hearing matters, petitioner, you 81 ಯಾರು appear ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ? File synopsis or written submissions, whatever, in all these final hearing matters.
Conviction
Yes.
appeal. Conviction appeal. 2000.
Whatever, sir. Yes. Next, 91, I think. Further, 80?
86. Registry will have to prepare the paper.
Yes. Paper book 86, list on 14th August, paper book by then. ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಕೆಬ್ಬಿಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಬಿಡಿ. Yes.
Lord, 88.1, registry was ordered to secure trial court records, my lord.
ಅದು ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಡಿ.
I'll file paper book, my lord. Interim
ಅದು
order.
ಪೇಪರ್ ಬುಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Interim order may be.
ಏನಿದೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ. ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಎಸ್. ಫರ್ದರ್ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಾ? ಓ ಅದು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ 31st, ಆಲ್ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕೇಸಸ್. ಎಸ್, ನಾವು ಗೋ ಟು ದಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್.
Number 2, hearing on IA, till number 1.
Your lordships, small mention. Lordships, the list one syllabus, the 13 cases, 13 FIRs. Is one case which is not listed that may be connected.
ಈಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇವತ್ತು?
ಅದೇ where farmers protest discharge has been ordered. This may be connected.
Tag ಮಾಡಿ same order.
Yes.
Yes.
Grateful.
This to serial on appeal for the respondent. Filed an IA for vacating.
Vacating stay?
Vacating stay. Offenses primarily is 498A.
Husband?
The husband
And
and the
in-laws.
other and in-laws, insofar as the husband is concerned, no interim order was granted.
List on 23rd.
Proceedings are complete, some judgments.
23rd under ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಏನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ.
I'll file it in the compilation.
All right, yes.
Number 2.
Great.
For the second respondent.
What's the offense?
47, 427.
Trespass and mischief, my lord. Senior counsel had also argued on last occasion. Certain materials were filed. State also filed the B report, my lord. I also filed the materials which I have marked in evidence.
I will see. List on
23rd.
23rd. Yes, next.
Number 3.
Please, my lords.
Rajat.
Please, my lords.
ಸರ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಟು
ಕಮಿಟಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಸರ್ ಕಮಿಟಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾಯ್ತು, ರೂಲ್ 10 ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಆನರಬಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಡ್ ಓರಲ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಸ್, 2 orders, sir, to submit relevant document to prove that petitioner has submitted fake document to receive orders on IA, sir.
ಆಯ್ತು 23. Yes, list on 23rd.
Obliged, my lords.
Yes, next.
IO, my lords.
Number 4.
ನಿಮ್ದು ಯಾವ್ದೋ 2 ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ.
68, 71.
ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ.
5.
My lord, may have done 31st, my special court matter.
No, my lord.
ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಈ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂತು?
31st.
Your lordships had particularly kept this matter. Last time, my lord, they sought time. My lord said that it could be disposed of. My lord, this is the case where, my lord.
Electoral.
31st.
31st ಇಲ್ಲ, 24th.
31st.
Because this is special court matter.
31st. Anyway, it's interim order ಇದೆ.
Interim order ಇದೆ.
31st.
Now move on IA before the Honorable Supreme Court.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ.
That
Heard
matter
so
has got
and
nothing
so.
to do with this case.
Nothing to do with this. Issues are different.
I am not doing anything with that. Yes, list the matter on 31st. Interim order subsisting will continue till the next date of hearing.
24th, if your lordships could kindly have.
ತುಂಬಾ ಇದೆ. ನಿಮ್ದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಹಾಕಿದೀವಿ.
Nandu, my lord, it will.
Defamation ಒಂದು ಸಾಕು, ಇಡೀ ದಿನ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
They'll fly off, my lord. I know your lordships. My lords, may kindly have it on 24th, my lord, we'll take a chance.
Registry to delete the name of A. Belliyappa SPP.
24th, your lordships, may kindly have it on board, we'll take a chance.
31st.
31st ಬರ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ. Yes, next.
Interim orders to be considered.
So great. 6, my lord, very interesting crime.
Interesting for, I think.
Respondent number 2.
ಹೇಳಿ sir.
Today I filed book.
It's not interesting when Jagdish is not there. Everything is interesting as long as it.
No, I just wanted,
Yes,
lordships are heard as in granted stay. Now,
No,
no, I just want to say them. If learned public prosecutor says there are other facts which are there, but whatever learned he says, you have to go and cooperate also. I'll just tell them. Whatever.
Interim order, no sir, because I also went through the file.
Yes. No, I do not
No.
know much.
ಕೊಡಿ.
Yes, sir.
ಅದು ಕೊಡಿ.
Question may see these 3 set of documents.
Anything connected with this accused number 2, Arogya Swami?
Yes, ma'am, same person. In fact, my lord, there are multiple series.
Now
of,
ಯಾರಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು so that lordships may. No, in fact, Arogya Swami and Francis Lord.
ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಜೊತೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ
The
ಅನಾರೋಗ್ಯ
connection, ಅದೇ I'll just explain who are we. Lordships must be apprised of who are we. But Namagu, they showed us these papers and proposed to sell the property. We paid 6 crore 20 lakh through.
To whom?
To this Francis by way of check, lords. RTGS transfer ಮಾಡಿ agreement to that is what I brought to lordships. Not kindly permit me to refer to
No
that.
sir, this requires investigation.
No, let them in. I'm
So
not,
you come after a final report.
for a moment, I'm not suggesting that if they want us to go and cooperate with the investigation, we will do it. But I'll just
No, you
point,
want me to write an order, I'll write. No worries at all.
no, may I just point out that
ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ.
agreement to sale point.
Yes.
6.2 crores. No, I just want to know from the learned public prosecutor as to how, because they have not arrayed them initially as accused. Even according to them, this Nilesh Deshpande, may I just point out page number 16 and annexure J.
Yes sir. ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಅವ್ರ ಯಾರಿಗೆ?
For respondent 2.
ಆಗ್ಲೇ.
Today I filed.
ಈ 70 ಅಲ್ಲಿ page number 70 ಅಲ್ಲಿ these are the persons against whom they are now making investigation. 70 and 71. They have an agreement of sale with us, Nilesh Deshpande and Manjunath. We have paid 6.2 crores to them. Now their case is that this property belongs to the trust. This property belongs to the mutt.
Which mutt? Respondent number 2 ಮಠನ?
ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಯಾವ್ದದು
ಆದಿಚುಂಚನಗಿರಿ.
ಅದರದ್ದು ಮಟ್ಟದ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಅಂತ is the claim.
ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮಾರ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದಾರಾ?
In fact, my lord,
they have an agreement. Now we have paid 6.2 crores.
To whom?
To these people.
To ಮಟ್ಟ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, these people.
These people ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು?
ಅವರು the accused against
Francis.
Francis.
ಹಾ ಸರಿ.
No, they projected to us that this property belongs to them. There is a grant order, etc. But page 76 is the money we have paid by way of check, RTGS transfer.
You settle your scores with him,
No,
Francis.
we are also victims. I'm only point. No, if my learned public
ಅಲ್ಲ ತಾಳಿ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್.
if learned public prosecutor says that there is any incriminating material against us, insofar as the misdeeds of this Arogya Swami and group is concerned, but I'll straight away concede before. Till today, there is no incriminating material to the best of my. If there is anything, in all fairness, I'll concede.
the money ultimately, my lord, comes back to them. That's the bank statement.
ನರೇಶ್ ಗೌಡ ಯಾರು?
No, Naresh Gowda is the
Petitioner.
first person,
All right.
not this person. Nilesh Deshpande.
Not once, 2 times. ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇಂದ
Yes.
ನರೇಶ್ ಗೌಡ್ರ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಗೆ
No, we are.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಡೀಟೇಲ್.
No, we are not Naresh Gowda. That's why we are.
ನರೇಶ್ ಗೌಡ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇದು.
Petitioner.
No, we are
Petitioner.
No. One second. Petitioners are, there are 2. Nilesh Deshpande and Manjunath.
ಸರ್ ನರೇಶ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪೆಟಿಷನ್ ನರೇಶ್ ಗೌಡ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
I'm now there are 2 petitions.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ಯಾರು?
Nilesh, we are we have also been.
No, there is somebody called Naresh Gowda as petitioner.
Petition.
Whatever.
He claims, so therefore lordships may bifurcate both issues. Insofar as Nilesh Deshpande and Manjunath are concerned, the money has not come to us. If money has come to us,
we will see. ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸ್ವಾಮಿಯಿಂದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನರೇಶ್ ಗೌಡಗೆ 4.5 crores is gone.
That petition, I'll for a moment lordships may.
Yes, so we will dismiss that petition. It's a matter of investigation.
That is concerned, this Nilesh Deshpande and Manjunath are certainly persons bona fidely. They entered into. They showed them this grant.
With whom?
With Arogya
with
Swami.
Arogya Swami.
No, we paid 4.2 crores.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತು, ಯಾರ್ದು ಇದ್ಯಾರ್ದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಯಾರ್ದು?
No,
ಆದಿಚುಂಚನಗಿರಿ ಮಠದ್ದು.
No, there was a dispute about, no, I'm not for a moment justifying the action. All that I am bringing to Lordship's notice is, we are as much as victims, as much as the mutt is concerned, insofar as Nilesh Deshpande and Manjunath are concerned. But where is the question of we paying 6.2 crores?
Madam.
In fact, my lord, the guidelines.
First, there are two petitions.
Sorry.
There are two petitions. This Nilesh Deshpande, this, now what I was.
ಈಗ ನೀಲೇಶ್ ದೇಶಪಾಂಡೆ ಯಾರು?
We have purchased this property.
From?
Arogya Swami hatra agreement, he showed us a grant order. And an order of.
ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಠದ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿನ ಗ್ರಾಂಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರ?
We are also victims. May I request, in fact, there is an order of this honorable court wherein they directed.
Sir, straight away, don't you think this needs to be investigated into?
May I make one request? May I make, insofar as Nilesh Deshpande and Manjunath is concerned, I'll just make this statement before one. But if there is any incriminating material, my learned friend says, I'll repeat it again, but I'll concede. That Naresh Gowda, if this is first time I am not.
4.5 crores.
Therefore, I will not even.
From Arogya Swami.
No, that is something. No, because he acted as a conduit for us.
Correct.
Did not get this. Nilesh Deshpande and Manjunath are concerned, but this is a registered agreement to sale. We have transferred 4.2 crores.
So you suit akodi.
No, I'm not for a moment saying, no, we have now been, though they have not arrayed us as an accused, Lordships may permit us to cooperate with the investigation, let them not arrest us or something like that.
All other remedies you take, I'm not going to.
No, but as against Nilesh Deshpande and Manjunath, I'll repeat.
In fact, my lord,
let them show
the mobile phone which you have discovered speaks about the role of these two petitioners from the beginning, and the property, my lord, guidelines value of the property is 3 crore rupees per acre. 6 acres of land.
Agreement to sale is there.
Hello, 6 acres?
The 6 acres of land has sold it at 6 crore rupees.
No, it's not sold. I'm sorry.
Agreement to sell.
The agreement to sell 6.2 crores we have paid.
For 6 crore rupees.
No, agreement to sale.
Agreement ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು.
We have paid. No, it's an advance amount. It's not the sale consideration.
No, but ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿನೇ ಅಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು we are also
ಮಠದ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿನ ನೀವು ಮಾರ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದಾರಲ್ಲ.
I understand not their anxiety of.
No, this Arogya Swami and Francis ಏನೋ ಅಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ. I have seen at least 20 cases. ಅದು ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನಾರೋಗ್ಯನೇ ಆಗೋದು.
No, possible. I will not come in the way. I'll just make one statement. In their anxiety of investigation, let them not rope in others also who are not in. As of today, in fact, they have not even named them as an accused. But I'll just
see. You are not been named as an accused. If
it's 2%.
No, this Naresh Gowda, I'm going to dismiss it straight away. Now this you have not been named as an accused. The other two, you cooperate with the investigation. In the event you are named as an accused, you can always avail the remedy that is available in.
I make one request. But Lordships may, insofar these two persons are concerned, Lordships may keep the petition pending. Let them investigate.
No, petition pending.
Let them.
You come after investigation in the event of need. I will reserve that liberty. This I will not. There is more than what meets the eye.
As on today, their role is absolutely, even according to my learned friend, is not there.
But
it's there.
No, let them say whatever it is. Whatever.
That's a matter of investigations.
As of today, prima facie, they say about Naresh Gowda, but I can't be roped in along with Naresh Gowda. Naresh Gowda is also, I am also a victim from Naresh Gowda.
That we'll see. But if you are a victim, nothing will be done. If you are an accused, they will definitely file whatever is to be filed.
But we will not. May I make this?
No, I will pass an order.
No, Lordships may kindly consider this.
I will. We'll see. Yes.
Lordships may say, let them be protected from coercive steps. We'll participate straight away. I don't think.
No, this Nilesh, whatever you participate in the.
Yes, we will do it.
First, Naresh Gowda ತಗೊಂಬಿಡಿ.
Naresh Gowda.
WP 20583 of 2026. ಇದೇನು ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಮಠದ ಮಠದ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಇವರು ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಸೆಲ್.
I have created documents to superimpose.
ಯಾರು ದಟ್ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ?
ಹೌದು, ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ. There are two Arogya Swamis. In 1961,
ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಇಬ್ಬರಿದಾರಾ?
original person in favor of whom 6 acres land was granted. He sold it in 1975.
Who is this Arogya Swami?
This is the fake one, and here the documents are faked in such a way to match with the earlier grant order of the year 1961. And subsequent documents were also created.
Problem sir, ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಆಗಬಾರದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನು ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ
ಆಗಬಾರದು? I am not for a moment not such. I for a moment
ನಾನು ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಡಿಫಾರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ I granted.
No, but this is Lordships. I did make it clear.
My mistake.
I'm just. But in fact, Lordships did ask me. about this Arogya Swami. And I said, my lords, I am also victim of this. Francis is what I brought. It is not Arogya Swami, actually
For
Francis.
Injunction was filed and in the interim application, my lord, it comes out, even for us, these documents were brought before the civil court and citing the same reason, how documents have been faked, my lord, the civil court has rejected the application.
They're all we are not concerned with that. Not that is
All
within
right.
our-
Anyway, this warrants investigation, no doubt
Let them
about it.
investigate.
Yes.
So this Nilesh
The
Deshpande and
secure bail, sir. The
till
petition,
then, Lordship will protect us. for
heard
about
the learned,
15 days, not fortnight.
heard the learned senior counsel Prabhuling Nawadgi appearing for the petitioner, the learned SPP B.N. Jagdish representing the respondent. The learned counsel M.H. Prakash undertakes to enter appearance for the second respondent, Adi Chunchungiri Educational Trust. The fulcrum of the issue is the property belonging to the mutt has been bartered away through the agreements of sale by persons creating certain documents. In the light of the said circumstance, the investigation in the case at hand is imperative. This court is imperative. The learned SPP places plethora of documents on record to demonstrate the call record details, money transfer between the petitioner and between the present petitioner Naresh Gowda and Arogya Swami to the tune of 4.5 crores. Since it is shrouded with seriously disputed questions of fact, therefore, the investigation in the case at hand is a must. Reserving liberty to the petitioner to approach this court, approach the appropriate fora or this court in the event of need, when the final report would be filed and the final report would go against him, the petition stands disposed. All contentions urged shall remain open to be urged at a later point in time. Idu Nilesh Deshpande.
Their lordships may show some indulgence, but they are really victims of. I mean, they are also victims after having paid them money to them.
Yes.
The very fact, my lord, that SR value per acre is 3 crore rupees.
Correct, but it's only agreement to say.
SR value. I've been told, my lord.
SR value is 3 crore. Elli property ida?
Kengeri.
Okay. Kengeri ida.
Bengaluru, Mysore. Advance road pakkali. SR, in fact, I got that.
Agreement to sell advance antilla.
0.25 crore. Illa.
Advance antilla.
They have paid advance.
Allah, ಅಲ್ಲಿ consideration ತೋರಿಸಿರೋದು 6.2 crores in total.
Total consideration is 9 crores.
Total.
9 crores.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತು 9 crores ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ 6 ಎಕರೆ 18 ಕೋಟಿ.
This is the SR value of this particular survey number.
Anyway, let everything be investigated into.
No, I said 9 crores.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ they are not accused.
No, they're very fact, my lord.
No, they are not drawn as accused.
Not yet, my lord.
They will cooperate with the investigation.
Let them cooperate, my lord.
Allah, in the event you cooperate with the investigation, in the event you are drawn as accused, you can always come here.
They have called them for certified 3 notices.
Allah,
We have not called them yet, my lord.
Yes. All right. Yeah.
We have not called them.
Then, lords, may I make one? Lordships may defer this petition, but let them, if they call for them.
In the event they call, you come back, sir. Yes. The learned, heard the learned senior counsel Prabhuling Nawadgi appearing for the petitioner. And ಇವರಿಬ್ರು ಇದ್ರೆ ಇವರು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಟೋರಿಯಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಕೆಲವರು, ಜೋಸೆಫ್ ಚಾಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವುದು ಪೀಟರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿ.
No, as soon as
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರದೆಲ್ಲ 20 ಕೇಸ್ ದಿನ.
As soon as my instructing counsel said that Mr. Jagdish has moved this matter, I said there must be something. If not, he wouldn't have moved.
So much material. Otherwise, generally,
no, I therefore, I would, in all fairness, say that.
ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Heard the learned senior counsel Prabhuling Nawadgi. The present petition concerns 2 persons who are not yet drawn as an accused. The investigation is on. In that light, the investigation shall continue. The learned SPP submits that the petitioners are not yet called for investigation, nor they are drawn as an accused. The learned senior counsel submits that the petitioners would cooperate for investigation. No coercive steps be taken against them. Investigation is yet to commence against these people. As the SP, in terms of the, as per what the learned SPP has submitted. In that light, reserving liberty to the petitioner to knock at the doors of this court or the appropriate fora in the event the respondents would summon and wanting to take any coercive steps. Reserving such liberty, petition stands disposed.
Separate orders. In fact, my lord, I have been told this particular gang, not just this property, many properties in and around the areas. Only purpose is to go and create litigation, force the people to sell.
And your criminal case hakadre, there is one modus operandi I am seeing now. Your criminal case ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದು injunction suit ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ.
Yes.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು matter is purely civil in nature ಅಂತ we grant stay. That's not the issue.
No, I understand.
That's the whole problem.
No, I read it in the, in fact, I read it in the newspaper as well. In the Hindu, it has appeared about this whole thing.
Same thing happened here also, injunctions.
ಏನು?
Injunctions suit, illo.
ಅದೇ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಂಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸೂಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮೈ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ಲಿ ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಇನ್ ನೇಚರ್.
Yes, that is by them. That's the other group.
ಅವ್ರು ನಿಮ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು, ನಾಟ್ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು. ಅವ್ರ ಮೊಡಸ್ ಆಪರೆಂಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನಿಮ್ದಲ್ಲ. Nimdu, perhaps these other two may be victims.
No, they, in fact, bona fidely they were shown the papers. So
the other two may be victims, but let the investigation go on. Idರಲ್ಲಿ investigation ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ನೀನು ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲ.
No, let it go on. In case they are to summon or something.
Whatever, if the coercive steps ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಿ, they will not act contrary to law anyway.
Grateful.
2:30 ga ಏನ್ ಸಮಾಚಾರ? ಗ್ರೇವ್. Sorry.
First complaint came to be registered against them under 498A. The lordship states. On the same complaint, my lord, again one more on the same allegations, one more complaint came to be registered, my lord. Both the petitioners are cancer patient, my lord.
ಸರಿ, ಏನೀಗ ಮಂಡೇ ಆಗ್ಬೋದಾ? ಅಲ್ಲ, ಏನ್ ತೊಂದರೆ ಏನು?
My lord, they are cancer patient.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಏನ್ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇದೆ?
There is a threat of arrest.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಖುಷಿ.
My lord,
End of the list.
My lords,
Two connected.
my lords, they are the old age persons. My lords, accused, drawn
Cancer
into
patients,
the, my lords, old age. They're drawn into the web of the 420 crime, my lords.
ಆಯ್ತು.
Kindly for Monday, my lords. They are.
ಮಂಡೇ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
My lords, kindly, my lords.
ಮಂಡೇ
Such
ಫುಲ್
persons,
ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ.
they are absconding due to the coercive
ಬೇಲ್
step
ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ವಾ?
pending, my lords, in CH-14. Kindly, my lords, on Monday.
ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 40 years.
My lord, my father and mother.
ಅದೇ 40 years.
60 plus, my lords.
ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ? ಅದು ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ.
My lords, they are not
ಕೊಡಿ.
Monday, my lords.
We'll see. Monday full ಆಗಿದೆ, let's see.
My lords, Monday, kindly, my lords.
We'll see.
My lords.
My lord.
ಹಾ?
Case number 227th matter.
ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು?
Short date.
ಯಾಕೆ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಲ್ವಾ? ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬನ್ನಿ.
My lords, with the permission of the court.
Moving a memo.
My lords, with the
ಇದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಎಲ್ಲ 1:30 ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಮೆಮೋನ. ಏನ್ ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ?
My lord, on the last date of
ನಿಮ್ದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಪೇಷಂಟಾ?
No.
ಮತ್ತೆ?
My lord, on the last date of hearing, your lordship was pleased to grant stay for petitioner number 2 and directed that the matter be listed immediately after vacation. The matter has not yet been come up.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತಾನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಡಿ.
My lords, with the permission.
My lord,
69.
ಏನೋ ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ
69 ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, after the charge sheet ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. So I had moved it couple of times, it has not come. Fresh matter.
ಹಾಕಿದಾರ ಈಗ?
ಹಾಕಿದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, 69 ಆಗಿದೆ. Rest all accused, it has been stayed. Accused number 1 ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ. ನಾಳೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಡ, ಮಂಡೇ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Much obliged.
It is